Hello guys, if it's your first time watching, please like and subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, guys. My guys, keep on subscribing and just keep feeling strong, them something there, so we're happy and we make more movie, them really. Guys, tune in for the channel them. We are Richard Blunt Films, PFS Films, Jamie Wood 1, King Films 1. To just watch channel them, guys, and enjoy. Alright, out of here.
Why you come food? You come to wash, so you go you move like say.
No, shut up.
You're a virgin football.
I don't know what kind of son God give me. Say all you and your sister. You can't come down. I said you can't manage your home.
Your mom tells me, I want to come on over for a man. You can't do it by yourself. Every way you want me back at you. Yo, brother.
You're the only man in my life.
Hey, me do.
You must have back at your mother's side.
I'm not in your life. Listen, I'm not in your life, lady. Me do in your life. I'm not in your life. Never want to come in in your first case. Never want to come in so.
You talk about that and you talk about that. Just make sure so anytime I done wash and make me money. You know, not for eat after. I never get none. Not for eat.
What you say? Say you try to tell me, say now you're going to stop me. Hey, you see, if me come home and I don't see no food for me, hey, they kill you. Hey, I will beat you. Hey, I will on your head, me I tell you. Hear me I tell you? I will make sure so me come home and get food for you. Hey, I will beat you. Hey, take some mommy you want. Every time mommy you want, can't look at you. Want to my sister, you can't come to.
Come on, tell her this.
Shut up.
I don't remember what scripture say. You must obey your parents so your days may be long. I'm not think so you're gonna live long neither. Rank and feisty. Like a bad breed pooper.
Yeah, man, you deal with the thing too. Yeah, man, I down for the river. The river I'm sure it's another buy, man. The piece of property where the river is from. Martin, I'm soon call about. Like somebody have company property already. Alright, yeah. Hello?
Hi.
You know, this is a private property, right?
Well, if I never know, at least I know now.
I own this property.
You do?
I own this property here.
This property?
By law, I own the land, but I won't try to own the river. But you know, exactly you have to walk on my property to come on the river.
Okay.
But she lady me not really charge it through, so you don't wash at home, you don't have water at home?
Well, sometimes. Just a little washing job, you know?
Oh, so you get any kids?
Well, yeah. A son and a daughter.
Oh, so how is it, how old is the daughter, matter of fact?
She's just 17.
Wow.
My son is just 15.
Like. That sound good. That sound good. So can I come over sometime? Get to know you better?
I don't know. You want that?
Listen. You know if you the one that I asked if you want, listen. I want to take care of your bills. I want you to come to the river and wash. I want to get you a washing machine. Pay your well living. Own house or rent house.
Rentals.
Exactly. I can pay your bills.
I just see a stranger and want to do all those stuff for me. You're that kind?
You don't worry about
For
that.
real?
An angel like you. Yeah, definitely. I'll do anything for you.
So where you go want in return? God, men these days, them not so kind. Them not so kind. Them ever look something in return.
Yeah, by right. Me understand that. Me understand. Everybody shall get what they want in return. You don't expect a woman to yam out a man. And the man can't get nothing out of the woman. It's either the woman have to work for the man, or the woman have to give the man look after the cookie in the jar. You're looking?
Cookie still did the man.
Oh.
So you have a girlfriend?
No, I'm a single man, you know.
I'm single too, you know.
For real?
Yeah.
So you can start come to the yard and meet the kids and see how they look and things, you know?
Alright.
So hold on, do you have a number?
Yeah.
So give me a number, no?
Alright. You ready?
Yeah, man.
1876
Mm-hmm.
219
Mm-hmm.
3727. My name is Jane.
Okay, Jane. So
What's your name, by the way? Didn't get a name.
I'm David
David.
with the M. David Money. Why you laughing? No, for real. Why you laughing?
Oh God, you made my day. Yeah.
No, don't laugh, man. Cause listen, let me tell you something. You see, my mother loved my father so much, and my father left him when he in a belly, you know. And my mother still go put me in her last name, you know. So you know what me do now? When my mother tell me this story, I go pay some money and change it to money. I put my last name as money. I'm not keeping my father's last name. You see, once you go left me in a belly, you're not supposed to be my father. Money is my father. Money is my lover. So if you want to enjoy my money, just come to me.
I'm feeling Anselm. Let's see if you feel like money the funny.
Feel it. Yeah. Like it.
Yeah,
More know your daughter though still, yeah? So I'm gonna come visit you.
You want to know my daughter?
No more see how big she be. I think your phone is
Pass my
ringing.
phone, please, to the emergency call. Hurry.
I have a meeting to go, okay? I'm gonna wash my foot good because get out of it to wash my
Hello.
I'll visit you soon, okay?
Alright, honey. Mr. Money,
Yeah.
you gonna call me?
I'm gonna call you.
Alright. Hello. Who that? Come in now. Well, close. Come on.
Let's have one now. One day for watch my watch, man. Nobody a call my father one place, you know. We
You
just
want to
come.
have a seat?
The seat, they show me bed. People don't sit down on bed.
Sure, I just gonna play talking. Talking. So I think so.
Alright.
Have a seat.
Well then tell them to check you, but you know my last name, right?
If you know your last name?
Yeah, my last name is Wealthy. Right? Wealthy. Yeah. So my father did, so we say go on, you know. Then tell me say you have something to sell. I would probably, we don't know. We not like the talking. We not talk. But what? Is it combo?
Well,
Why so much man not do our work? We not like one place. Listen me. I don't want to make no noise in here. I mean make no noise and the motor do listening. Be a chatting out the door. I don't like it.
don't let them. They're
Alright,
outside
anyway.
minding their own business.
They know me?
No,
Hope so.
I doubt it.
I don't want my name go back round because a man of stature. People look up to me. Yeah, they look up to me. So you know what? Because your business and business that we are doing, people are talk about it, say you are going something around there. So I don't want them to say, oh, me I come around here too. Someone just do me a go and cut. So how you go? What price?
Alright, price start from all the way at 10,000 upwards.
No, I not talk 4 women one time. I talk you alone. You alone I talk. I know say when you have multiple women, you go up to that price there. But
I said it's 10,000, we can always negotiate. If you have maybe like 6,500, 7,500, that can work. But my price is 10,000, the minimum.
Alright, listen me now.
Says either that or neither.
What you gonna do? How about you have 10,000, much zero behind it? 1, 2, 3. Much zero, 3, 0, and 10. Wait, no, I'm not worried. I have a math screen. What about you knock off 2 of the 0 them? Half I no knock off 2. Knock off, if you knock off 1 of the 0 then, how much you end up with? That's too much too. If you knock off 1 of the 0 them then. And then we can talk. Because I come here, but normally the girl them walk come a bridge at 1,500. So carry down to 1,000.
Excuse me?
1,000. Because end of the day, you will feel good. And like, if I have to give you so much money and you just bring your teeth and say, I like it feel good, you have to back my money. You don't feel good in my process if I pay you. So anyway, start at 1,000. So here what? Look at that wrong place. I will keep my money until later in the night. I go to the bridge.
No, like right here, you just stay. It's fine. You're here. Let's just mess up.
I can come for the bed work out something, man. Come in, man.
This one.
Alright. Bargain is a bargain. It's 1,000. It is a little more because you do the extra things then, but anyway. Alright, so it's $350. Right? So you know, I owe you the balance. Me balance you. Yo, I'm a man of my word, I'm Mr. Wealth, right? I balance you. How much money now? I don't know much. 7,775. How much? No, I can't remember this. No money in pocket. Normally, as somebody is on the bridge, I owe some of my time. But I pay bill. I'm very good. I'll never ask.
My name speak for itself. Go down there, ask. So
The
this is
first time you're stopping, the
Yeah.
first time you're home.
that's good business.
So when you tell me before?
Listen now, business is business and pleasure is pleasure. You cannot mix business with pleasure. You're mixing it here, so can you give me pleasure and doing business same time? It's not a good business. But anyway, she have more client there. So you use this here, fresh up yourself by Fabudi and whatever, soap wash out or wash out, turn it down. When them see how people are calling, the more people are calling. No, but you know, listen to me. I go give
You're very
Listen-
disrespectful.
This year is not your payment. So this year hold Pakala. More at those come here differently. This is free. But I will carry $1,000 come here. Yeah? Yeah, hurry. Just do your thing. Yeah, you're going good. You're going good. Alright.
I don't understand why I have to walk like that. So I couldn't meet the kids down at the front. Why they are not here?
One is here by the way.
Who, your daughter? Oh,
I sent her in the room to do a little errand for me. My son is inside.
No, I feel so. No, don't. It's your daughter more officer, isn't it? Everything good though?
Well, not really, but me just there go and live.
Live like how?
Live, just live.
Every time you see your wash. You have money?
No, me just the wash work.
Oh, you do wash work?
Yeah, remember when I meet you, look, they met me by the river for one thing, remember?
I meet you by the river.
Someday.
Yeah, man. Oh, if you hold man, though, you have young panty. Or perfume wash work.
It's mine, man.
Wow. So, when I'm gonna get to meet your daughter, I wanna see my stepdaughter, you know.
You want to see the stepdaughter?
Yeah, I want to know her. I can't be hiding every time I come here. If I'm at the box, it's night. We don't understand. Why? Why I can't meet the family?
Everything takes time. Every single thing in life takes time. Even sun and darkness take time sometimes.
Okay. I understand. I understand definitely. I understand, you know.
So what's up?
I'm here, you know. Children, so what's going on though differently? Anything good?
Well, as I said, not really. Not really, but I'm still alive and well. As you can see, no pain. You understand me? Not really 100, but things could be worse. Things could be worse. Things could be worse.
Okay. I like that. So, can I stick around till you don't come or?
Why not? Why not? Why not?
I can go later inside, you know. Oh boy. I wish you did younger, but just ain't gonna feel, you know. Morning, Jane.
Morning.
So your daughter, there you go.
Yes, she's inside. What's the problem?
Alright, I come to talk to you because it seems like you don't really understand me. As me I say now, your daughter, you know so she would definitely want me, don't want you.
What? You put a joke. What you mean by is my daughter I definitely want you don't want me? What's that supposed to mean? Huh? What's that supposed to mean?
Listen, you're too old. I rather wait till your daughter 20. I rather spend money on her until she's 20, then me and her go live together. I'm in my 25, what may I do with you? If I was in my 32 now, I would take you up. But when I'm in my 25, you have to leave me to the younger ones. Them. When I'm 32, I would decide to take you up. That time, if you were like 58, 59, 60, and I'm 32, that could work. Because at least I'm half the age. But you double me. You understand?
Well, there's nothing here to understand. First of all, my daughter is a child. And for you to get my daughter, that seems impossible. So it's either you take me, right? Until whenever you want her, you get her, or you just forget about it. Can be done so we have to have about some old. Age is just a number. Age is just a number. It's about maturity. My daughter is out of this. So if you want me there so. Me there right here so.
Huh? Alright, here I know. More left here now, you see all these bills. The water bill, the light bill, the rent bill, food bill, Santa Claus bill. So when they have sense, you call me because more know why you don't use your head before you talk. You know, I know work. Remember saying no, you have to just tell 1 and 2 6 for the side, you know, and that not help because of $1,500. I broke. That not help. You have to go to 20 man if you can pay them the bill there. And by the every 2 man you pop down because you're old. So you know what? When I sense you call me for.
Alright, come here.
No, we can't talk now.
So I'm gonna call you, we don't have a number. How can I style that?
Morning, Mom.
Morning. Want me?
I drink tea though.
My favorite coffee, black coffee.
Oh, baby, come beg your money still. Cause the money for company will more buy my girlfriend something.
You want a what?
Money, I want some money.
You know you're wicked. Sometimes I can't even find food for you and your sister to eat. Much less you have the audacity, but you want money to buy something for girlfriend.
Oh,
Yeah, much you're not 15, 16.
You must give me some allowance.
First of all, you don't need a girlfriend. You don't need a girlfriend.
So we need.
You don't need a girlfriend.
So we need.
You need Jesus.
You need Jesus.
I don't have any money. I don't have it. But girlfriend.
I bet if I she come to like yard.
What? Forgot mine, man. You look at head.
So,
Just go and go sweep up the yard. The place won't clean. I don't see that.
alright, Mom. Come on, reason now. Right? You did plan for me? Because I see you as a young youth them with feed them woman. Right? I do feed them thing with feed them woman. And me, you know, if you have no woman. So I'm not special, I'm not somebody picking it up. I'm not somebody picking it up.
You want to know the truth? No, me never planned for you. One night, me I come in from church, and I say this black ugly man, and the man my body, and I say no, and he just hold me down and take it and just jump out just like that, like Aki Peg. Me never planned for you. Me never want no more pitney. After that one, the papa breed me never want no more child. So you just appear. Me never plan for you. But say your friend this and other people this and about girlfriend. You can't even spell girlfriend. Those things are expensive. Leave it alone. To manhood, you're a child. You can't mind woman. Woman expensive. Very. I look for me too.
That you talk about you. My father, a bad man, so he running in blood. You see, hey, I will beat you, see. No matter if your mother, hey, I will give you some money, you see, woman, no blame me, you know. So if anywhere you find money from, you go find it. Rent us, I will burn it down. Yeah? I will burn down every last side. You can't find money, hey. Don't blame me, no lady. Don't blame me, you know. Alright, don't chat.
And that, bunny done. Since you build it, and you a parent, bunny done. If I think you're bad, try it. You must be sick in your head. You think you burnt me? Are you burnt me? But lick. Look boy. Go on, get up, go on the saw. Get up.
Don't touch me.
Get up, go tidy the kitchen.
Tidy which kitchen? You look at it? Hey, lady. Hey, emergency are you this, alright? You say never lose emergency are you this. Hey, look.
Hey!
Hey, step in your face, you see woman. Hey.
You know?
Let me. Stop playing me now, man.
What is not this?
Hey,
So because of one woman, you have to step in your... Because of one woman.
Sefe.
What a sudden destruction.
Let's play speed now. Cushion down for your face.
Hey! Like father, like son. Amen. Morning. Wow, what a good boy. Not really, but
I don't
Like-
think since my brother and I was partying in there.
Damien, girl, that piece of trash, I can't describe him. Him just left from here. The boy come here, want come in and talkings with me. Want come fight me up in the but never mind that. What's up with you?
You know, see, something I can check about though. I have SBA come up. I gonna need chef hat. I gonna need apron and then something there. Roughly 120 grand everything will cost. And kind of feel hungry and now want something to eat.
Boy, to be honest with you, Brittany, things very hard. I don't really have the money now, but I'm gonna try my best so I can get the money. So just give me like few hours up to 2 day time so I can just put 1 or 2 things together and get to the money. I don't have a payment now, but make me work for it.
Yeah, talk about 2 day time. Today is Saturday and on Monday I want something to do. I have to get them by Monday. I'm hungry right now. I'm not eating nothing for a morning. Matter of fact, from last night I didn't eat.
Right now, I don't really have anything in the house. I just piece of pumpkin and yam. You can eat it with hile, or if you want sardine did it.
I don't want to eat. So I want to the rich man David.
Alright, so David know that man, after I'm always come here and I give him money and stuff like that and his attention. I sort of think say I want me in a girl, but him come to me one different last week, as a matter of fact, and confess say him no want me, I'm too old for him. Him say you him want my daughter. Him say him interested in you. So me I say you're too young, as him can see. So him say we wait until about 20, till that 20 so him can maybe talk to you or whatever. So you can have sex on him something like that.
You're too old, but mommy, that is true because I think I'm around 25 or so. And you're old, you're very old. You can't deal with such a young man, mommy. I don't want my stepfather so young. No, sir, that can't work. You're too old for that, mommy. You need to get an older man.
Alright, now about me and my age. Let's just think about the future. Him say me want you, right? And right now, we want money. So you can talk to him. If you even don't want him, just pretend. I remember say I always want to become an actress, you know, so talk to him and get some money and think about your future. Because I was in a girl college, you know. Or if you don't want that, as time goes by, we can always just ship a girl for him now if you know that. You can stay with the auntie. Better life for me and you and your brother, all them so rank and pasty.
I mean, I want to become like a you because all they do a con man money. Me no want con the man him money. Take him man money and me no want him. Mama get something that do nice. Because in a longer run, me I come and stay like a you. You're there, you know, sit down and have no money. If I can man and stay saying I turn it down. Then turn it down, man. Me no want nobody have nothing about me. Or nobody have nothing over me. Chabo me condemn and me this and me that. No. If me want the man, me want the man. And me want him. Me no want con him. Me want him. If you know a relationship with him.
Yeah, come talk about you don't want to be like me and talk about me can man. And them can me. Can you imagine say, me I try to get employment. It not working. They must say, oh, man, have the looks. A girl like you, they want to in them facility for employ because you're pretty and you're beautiful, my daughter. Me go through much schooling. High school with much subjects, including maths and English. Gone nursing school, teaching college, and yet still nothing. Them know what employ me, them say me have the looks. Me have the qualification, yes, but nothing behind that. Me just there, you come talk about say me a con man.
Mommy.
And them a con me. Them a con me.
Mommy, it's not all about the looks, okay? Look here. Maybe I want to deal with people. Because you deal with people bad. Your face the bad, your rank. Me might tell me say, you, Damien take care of her, don't father. Mommy, you just need to understand. Me don't say truth hurts no, but if you have to go hurt, you have to go hurt you. You have to understand and learn, mommy. And I want something before Monday. If I don't get them, I don't know what I'm going to do. Unless I go there with the rich man and move out to your house.
If you want to move out, or move in, or in out, I don't really care right now. You say you want the money, I said to you, I'm going to work on it so I can get the money before Monday, or by Monday morning, 2 days time at least.
Look here, please.
So if I can't wait, you just can't wait.
Me can't wait. Simple as that, me cannot wait. And since you actually want to move out, or I want to move it, me going to move out. I'm not going to stay with it because of feisty. After me, I plan future for me and you so you can have a better life.
What way you plan future? What way?
Forget money so me can take care of you, but you're too feisty, me can't talk to you, mommy, later.
Why you can't face the can't go on?
Me can't talk to you right now, so you have to suffer.
The blood of Jesus against you, girl.
Against you, not against
Girl,
me.
shut my mouth.
Don't shut
No,
my
because I
mouth.
reached 17, I think so you're an adult. You're a child.
I don't care. Your mother is supposed to provide. I want to send me go there with the rich man. The rich man provide for me. Don't do it.
I'm not saying you, Mr. You have a choice. You can. I'm not saying you.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes?
What's up?
Then, oh, James,
What?
James?
Yes, she same one.
So you want one and you want son young so?
What?
We are trying to son young so.
Alright, I want to talk to you. It's very urgent. You understand?
Alright.
You can come over the house now.
I'll be there in a sec.
You sure?
Sure, man.
Alright, don't keep me waiting.
Alright.
Alright, cool. What is it?
Alright.
Let me call you back here. Have a visitor.
Return visitor, my son-in-law. So I go on differently. You make up your mind?
I have good news. I've been thinking about the offer and I think it's a great idea. You understand? My daughter normally likes slim guys, you know, so you can try your luck. She should be inside. We can call her out if I want to go into her room and talk to her and so. And push your luck. You can always do that. But I wish you all the best and you have my blessing.
Boy, you finally make a great year tell her the right thing, right? No, I understand. So I say, she know.
Yeah. But one more thing though, between me and you. I can't tell you?
Sure.
Alright. You know what I say? I'm single. I know you want this, so don't worry about that.
Oh, come
my
on.
daughter.
No,
I know
no.
you want.
Yeah, man, you're single.
Me
and-
graduate from your rejection long time. You know what me? Me no want you.
Right.
I'm single and need a man. Somebody sensible. You understand? I'm single and I need somebody.
A man in them 40s, right?
That's a good age. You can work. I'm normal attracted to older guys. But if a young guy come, I'll work with it.
No. Young guy, not gonna work. Unless them in them 30 years. But for now, 40 will work for you. You already agree. You can't take a young boy. Can you manage a young boy?
Why not?
A young boy will shift your organs.
Alright, I know my daughter, you will talk about what you're saying, and my son. So, never call her fear, but before you do that, my dad look a video with me, so I can post it, so person can know I'm single, so I can make it a look man. I don't want to use a phone. Now, iPhone now?
I use your phone because I don't want it on my phone, you know. So when you're ready,
I'm not saying turn the other way.
what I'm make you look like you're in your 20s when you're in your 50. Yeah, let me say so, yeah. Alright, speak your speech.
Hi, my name is Jane Lewis. I've been single for the past 6 months and I need someone. So if you're single and need a female, you can reach out to me. I'm attracted to dark guys, but it doesn't really matter right now. I just need someone who will love me for me and be there. So if I want to reach out to me, my number is 1876-219-3727. That's my number. So just call me or WhatsApp me and let's just stay in touch. I really need a man. Single. I'm a good woman as well. Alright.
Peace
Bye.
out.
Peace.
You know what is a lie? You single for 6 months? 6 years you're single for. What is? Hey, call out the daughter. I can't believe you.
Brittany?
I can't believe you.
Brittany! Come here, my daughter. Emergency! Come now.
No, do it. Don't do that.
Yeah. Hi.
Wow. Look pretty nice, your mother do.
Thank you. Open your door.
What? So your mother tell you to have me a new man, right?
Well, not about her right now. It's about me.
Okay, I'm here to take care of your needs. and
Should
to
I
your-
leave or should I stay?
No, come on, let's come in.
I'm
I can
gonna
see
still.
My daughter.
Happiness.
Where's the money? So, where brother?
My brother, you know, there for a win.
So, I guess your mother tell everything, right? They're gonna take care of you until you're 20, then we'll move you out.
Sure. Well, shut up, boy. Me like that. But otherwise, from that day, we can't know our relationship. I'm the business what she wants to know about we, not about she.
Okay, no problem. So, and the things you have to take care of, you just write it down and I will deal with it.
Well, I have something I want to take care of still. I need an apron and chef hat and something for go to school Monday, which today is Saturday. And I need them by Monday. Mother say she can't afford them.
So, how much it costs?
Roughly one 20 grand.
Oh, no problem, man. That's cheap. Because the last girl tell me, they have 50 grand for them,
50?
50 grand.
And it include me fear and something. Me fear in it.
No worry. You see, you tell me the honest truth, I'm going to give you 30 grand.
Okay.
So you take care of that. So otherwise, you know, eat from morning.
I wish.
Right?
No, at all.
Alright, I'll give you $5,000 to go and buy food at a restaurant and eat.
Okay.
Otherwise, than that, so. I think I left my wallet in the car, you know. No, everything good. I have my wallet with me.
Alright.
So, is there anything else?
No, we're good for that. Otherwise, from that.
Alright.
Yeah.
And your brother stop we?
No about that.
I come here one morning. When I used to know your mother, you know, and I sit right in there and I get my backside wet. So that's how I find out.
So that's it there, because the room would have rain right now. One room would have rain.
So, I'm gonna go outside in the car and get the money, you know.
Alright.
And come back. Jen, I respect you for that, you know.
Alright.
I respect you, Jen. I appreciate you for that. Where are you? Where are you?
May I come? No, cause. Show me.
I like that you're being safe, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, so.
Hey.
That's cool, right too.
Thank you.
Alright, so I want to see my way out. I want to talk to you, man. I feel cool.
Alright.
Alright, take care.
Alright.
No have no man.
No.
That's all. It's the one thing I know, man. Everything cover.
I won't.
Okay.
Alright. Can you boast my friend in my school and now?
Alright, Jim. Right tell you the truth. I feel like that one never work. You got to like me already, you know?
You like him?
But I'm sorry, if it is young now, I could have given you some of me, but
No worry about that. Just pray for Mrs. Mother reach out to me.
I pray for you, you know, because
I really need a man.
you need 100 prayers, and me alone can't pray. You have to pray for yourself. Never you let people pray for you, yeah? You have to pray for yourself mostly. You can't ask me if you pray for you, you know. Me only can give you a little advice. I can pray, but you have to pray for yourself more. Because me can pray one time and I remember you. So you have to pray. What are you looking for? Me need that every money I have in my wallet. I have to go to the bank. Don't look at me, Jane. Jane, you're too old. I am paying the bills, that's all. I'm buying food in here. I can't give you pocket money now. The pocket money go to your daughter. Anything she need, she get more. You, me make a video for you, publish it. You go find a man and a man going want you. A dark skin guy say one? No problem, I'm not a
Dark skin, tall, preferably.
Don't use my height. Because it won't be me. But anyway, dark skin guy. Yeah, you don't get that.
Thanks for coming. You know, look bad.
Sis,
No.
is your cologne?
Which one?
My cologne.
No?
You can't find me.
So I ask you.
You know, say, me see. You think me don't know, say I carry money all the time.
No, mind your business. Mind your business.
My business. I'm gonna tell mommy. Sorry, you forgot the mommy already. I collect money after each one for you already.
But I chat too much.
That no say.
And if you might not want to listen to my youth.
That no say you can't.
Keep by your mouth.
That no say. You can't carry the money in the place. I know say mommy already I do something for you already.
What happened is no man? Must say you can't get no girl.
You can't satisfy.
So you can't get no girl at the so don't say nothing.
You too good this morning.
You too globalistic. Where is it? Let me clean your back. Keep my down, man. Siya tell me to put this unpacking back away there. Can't take my sitting there now. How many day I wear the last shoe? Last shoe.
What the fuck?
Watch me.
Are you good to hide my cologne to your young thief? They are thieves, you know.
Don't call me no thief. Don't do it.
Are you good as you take my cologne?
Don't do it. Don't like it.
Good as you get dirty foot man too.
You tell us I don't put man. You can't tell us to put man. Why? Stop all argument with me. I'm not in a video here. I'm not in a video. Don't want no argument with me because I'm older than you. Older than you.
When me call you, I'm calling you.
Shut up.
You pick up on you.
Don't watch out for me. Don't want business.
No business.
Avoid me.
Cool, I don't cry. Where is this alone?
You know, some sick and tired. I'm going to tell my son I want to tell with you. You have to be up a friend, baby.
I don't want to tell with you.
My mouth feels swell up. I can't really chat good.
No man, it's not what I want.
Yeah, fuck chat though. I hope I can defend you. Who that?
Eric.
I'm going to huh?
Oh man,
Hi.
you good?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
Guys, good enough.
Go on now.
You watch your sister so you would.
No, watch
I'm going to see you watch the pool.
Where you come from?
I'm going to pay the bills, you know worry about that. I pay every bill in there. So, light bill, water bill, food bill.
I talk to you already, no sister. Remember, I talk to you already.
Rent bill. Oh, man.
The little boy just too enough. I like him, but sister. What do you
So
say?
what man?
The weekend, give me a fight.
And that man here plan to go look for you.
No, sir. My friend them are good. Go, you know, have a one drink and talk about a couple stuff. That's it.
So your man there?
She not there, no.
Okay, yo, sometimes I want to come and see her. She don't understand that you me want, me don't want she.
You know what I'm to her, yeah, man. She don't like see her pity there strive. She alone can strive.
You go out here and your friend go have a drink. So, I'll get backyard.
Bill for look fat though.
Yeah, man. Money, you know. So,
Thank you.
buy what you
You
want.
must have a pin number already. They tell me the last time.
And then when you buy one, you buy, you give me back the card. But no purchase more than what you cannot.
Okay. Thank you.
Alright. And tell the mom, say, this month bill pay, yeah?
Alright.
Okay, no problem.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Wow, it smells so sweet.
The numbers.
You alone there?
No, my mother.
Which one should in her room?
National room.
So your brother there.
I think they end up on the road to work place. You know I'm to you. Like my mother or something.
Well, never get to hear from you last night. I'm just asleep early, so I say, I have to come see you. I could have managed to just call and I just want to see you in person. I did have to come over and see you.
You're good at things though.
Yeah, man. So anything for me though?
What?
Anything for me?
No. Yes. But in a room.
So can I do something to you in the morning?
Yeah.
So you look sad, can I go to the family?
No, my friend that my girl name again, Keisha. Me and her up on the road. She want me to help her do something at the pharmacy. So I follow her.
Come on in there, brother, in the room.
No, not in there. I tell her something to see me now. I'm going busy. Let me get to her because she's so much. She's taking one bar.
Oh.
Where you go?
What am I
Look how long you're not coming. Look how long you're not coming. No, look how long you do not come here and you feel like you want to come march in them house. Where you going? Where you going, jog?
No, I water me a catch.
Catch water, no water not enough to catch. Excuse, come out.
I feel me house too, you know.
What you do?
Are you? You lose the stop. Yo.
Yo, we gonna chat to you here.
Oi.
You go on a new bolt here.
That's true.
How we?
You might try fix right yourself.
That's because there's a thing came, so that's why the bolt can't get fixed. But true, so probably gonna need something to carry out your box up.
Alright, you can come on next time, come fix it.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah, because I need to start with a little boy. I need to fist him in the eye.
Yeah, man, no problem. You can't just call me no want to fix
So
it,
for
yeah?
us to walk right there, so you walk.
Show me suppose there, so.
That's true.
So you cool them there.
Excuse.
And I come for look for the job.
Move.
If you want to get fixed,
Alright, be careful. Yeah. Move now! Let me tell you this. Don't interrupt. Hello. Do not interrupt more time I see me other things here.
We have come on that place.
You can't tell me that. The man a fix the door. What else I want?
Man a fix the door. Man a kiss up on your jaw.
And I kiss him and kiss me. I tell him and tell me. I tell you something in my ears. Excuse.
Wait,
Hold
wait.
that. One full of water.
That's what wake you up to.
Wake me up. Oh. Me slap you in your face. You feel like say bad? Me older than you. Bright and face.
So yeah, take off from mommy.
Yeah, get too rank as your mommy say.
Yeah, take off mommy. You know, fling and say about the place like mommy.
Who you say fling and say about the place? Don't do it. Don't mix me and that woman. Don't mix me and her. You're bright.
Make me put him back on there. Chop off.
Where you go do? Where you go do?
Yeah, chop off piece.
Boy, don't play with me. You're coming. Yo, don't play with me.
No, somewhere you go.
Go on my friggin' business. Go on.
Somewhere you go.
My phone.
Hurry up. Right now, you know where you're going like you want this my rich brother and lie, you know. Where can money come here, you know.
Is me and the same?
Oh, because it's when him come back here. You know, somebody give me a portion of my hey, me have to swap me so I have to turn up. You know,
Me can't stop that.
Hey, they look a broke pocket boy, the boy not have money.
Let me tell you this now, me can't stop that. Every money we feel like you want to collect from him, me can't stop because guess what, my man. Me can't stop, me can't make you no gain no money.
You can't say I man nice place.
Me not carry money in that place.
Of course.
Me I tell you say yes, me carry money in that place to fix the door.
You could lie. That's a simple thing where simple and somebody can fix.
You don't here, I cannot do it because my hands are too tender and they're too nice and can't push. Me not put up my finger them, so I need somebody have the money,
But
so I pay them.
You say I'm man, I tell you say I'm man, I will spend your ears then. I'm no man, I know spend.
The man there, they always spend them, you have to tell
Who
him.
want to house and go there, go man?
Hello?
Go on, where you go?
No, for run me out of this, you know.
Nobody ready to go.
Don't run me out of this,
Sure.
you know what?
Yeah, sis. Come on, man.
See girl, I'll text me later, bye. Come back. Lift it.
Seriously. Girl, me I tell you. Me tell a man say me lonely and me stress out more while I need somebody in my life. All me I try, me can't find no good man. Single life is not mine, you know. I'm a good woman, me can wash, me can clean, and me can make love great, and me still single.
Mommy.
It just mo Stacy, my son is here, so I'll show it back. It just mommy.
Me not understand. More access
What's
something.
wrong?
More access
What's
something.
wrong?
More access something. How you feel have David, rich man, right? They with my sister, and yet you make him a kind different man in our house, in the lap up in our room. I don't understand the part.
Oh, me fi make
So-
your sister.
So you make David and take your money. If your daughter, so your daughter can take your mind different money. So I'm telling you, she coming like you.
Listen to me. Get your facts straight. You see what the straight? No, I'm just show you something. Me not hurt you. I'm just showing you something. It's like how you see. It's like how you see the stick straight. Get your facts straight. That is new to me. Me make my daughter, which is your sister, I take David money, mine man. You see me make she I take man
listen,
money, mine man.
Listen, I go in a room a while ago, right? And meanwhile I was coming, they were doing their thing, right? Me going, when me go up on the veranda, me hear some look nice, right? So me watch me and see here what is going on. Me and then they are going to themselves. Me knock the door now. Me and like she say, hide. So me go in the room now. And the man me see in the corner, so. Like the man I say, I try hide like me can't see, man. Me literally can't see one turn up and look for me. Then when me go closer now, them are going to look like say them a fix door. And then I fix no door. So me want to know how she have man lock up in a room with. And David, I spend pan her and I give her so much money. Me don't understand how that work.
Listen to me. Not everything is as beautiful as it seems. Suppose David not make her happy. Sometimes in a son, money cannot buy happiness. She
Yes.
have to know, and
But,
first
you know,
of all, me no give her no man. Me never know so she a carry no money in my place.
But-
why you never come call me?
But hear
Just
me I
like how you
say.
can come tell me your business.
Mommy, shh, me not telling nobody business, but it's not fair. Listen what me I say, right? Listen what me I say. Just listen what me I say. Me nah say, alright, the part where you say yes, what if he not cheat, alright, me understand about the part. But don't take man money and mine a different man. You would want fee man take fee money and mine a different woman. You would want that?
Son, let me ask you this question. How you know that Brittany I take the man money and mine the next man? How you know that? How you know that?
Listen.
How you know that?
Listen. Alright, in a relationship, right? Somebody have to go be the one if he go out there, get the money, bring in it. Or some man have to go do the way have to provide for the family. And I know say that the man there, he not work. Man look broke, he not working. So furthermore, Brittany I go take that the money there and I'm going to give that the man there. You know what?
Let me tell you this. Let me tell you this. Don't judge a book by the cover. It's the last time your father, me see him in a jacket and tie. Tell me say my lawyer, my attorney at law, that tell the man a big so-called criminal.
Yeah,
do not judge. You can't look for the man and say the man broke.
Listen. You fall for it because you are a certified yamhead. Your mother, but me not afraid to tell her you are a certified yamhead. You hear me tell her? You are a sweet.
Me a sweet.
Sweet, right? Sweet mean. In fact that, alright. If the man then not drive, you don't want him.
This need
if the man then
crowd.
have money, you don't want him. You're a certified yamhead. And you are a certified gold digger.
Don't do it.
You are an old gold digger.
Yeah, Jesus.
You know, like a man for who he is, you like a man for money. Because that the man just up in a jacket and tie and tuxedo and all them something and say, oh, me a big bank this, me a big bank that. You want him. You know, go for a man and say, we try work on a little hard working money and do a little work on the side. You have to do, hey, lady, me have to say, hey, don't make me have, hey, I will slap, hey.
You look a bit mixed up and
Hey,
feisty and bright.
I will slap, hey, I will
You
slap.
look a bit too feisty. Go on there,
Listen,
some man.
hey, I will slap the gravity out your mouth. Hey, me left you there. Me left you there.
But gold
Hey, I will
digger.
slap, hey.
Eh?
Hey.
Look how much
slap you,
man,
you know.
look how much broke pocket boy dig my goal and left me. Look how much broke pocket boy dig my goal and left me.
Place. You love fling too much. Stop fling yourself. Hey, you see if you are fling yourself.
Realize,
Hey,
yo,
if
you're
you
my
are fling
son.
yourself from the place, you'd have a better life. But you, hey, God gonna fix your business. Hey, you always chat about blood of Jesus. You need some God in your soul.
You know me should not abort you.
Hey.
You know me should not abort you though.
You regret having you as a mother.
Hey.
You regret having you as a mother. You just own and shit.
Y'all come judge me.
Lady.
Eh?
You don't want me left your place. Hey.
Y'all come judge me. Hey! No, me see what woman name belly. No, me see it. She.
What?
You see I go on now. You know see up on the road more and go, but like come see you now. There's something more to you for a long time.
Oh.
See my sister in there. You see me catch her though. One day me come here. I'm here, so in my house. So I'm going, no man that me see him in there with man top in the corner, so like say me not see him. Man, she had bring in my house. So imagine now what she had do with your money when I take it here.
No man, me not hear what you say. Me not hear what you say. Hold on. Wait just say a while ago.
No, me say me catch my sister in your house with a man, and then the man come act like say a door my fix. He iron something on the door, he has and stuff. Go on like say I hit my fix. I know say I hit my fix, me say man in kind of place.
Young boy or old boy?
Boy look broke too. Look like a thief. But I'm a young human. He kind of short and fat. But long time I want to tell you, brother-in-law, but I true me not too there like that. You see me? Because see my sister and mommy, not too, boy, they move like a hypocrite too. But they have to raise up mommy she, because boy, she don't know herself. And sister the next one too. After me I talk to him about him, I want to fight me out. Boy, some people are left more little place right now.
So hold on there. So your mother know about this what go on?
Me tell her about it, but she tell me say she not aware of it. She never know say
So,
that is that.
So my money come down. Me take my money. Your sister pay the rent. Everything, food, everything. And then have man I come there. After me I pay the rent there. You not tell them who maybe. You not come up, let come check me with the friend now and see how we sit down and chop.
I tell them but they not take it then. Since they don't know who you be, show them who you be. Cause like say them like say nah can come in yourself. Boy, we can't be them set a family and youth.
So if you're not there with fire, they can't remember see me the money when me again, you know. I have to keep a eye in the house, you know. If nobody a come there, you know. So it seems like you're on your job. Where you there? You're young, you know, for the idle. You for the study. What you do?
Why? You know say me mostly there me father side of people them because I can't do they don't like one time so me up there. Or sometimes me there. Me spend a couple nights with my girlfriend because he live right beside my father live close by. So I'm not too there that one time.
Alright. I believe you. So yeah. But I didn't dare not get a thing for yourself. Thanks. I'm going to listen to your mother, right?
Me I come go.
No, but that's good, man.
Alright.
That's good.
Who that? Who is that? Who?
David. Listen, Jane. Ramp here around with me. Jane, I really ramp here around with me. Eh? You tell me now. Tell me now. Joe, me tell you already. Me tell you already, I'm sure you're pretty. Say, me can't get with you too long. You're too old. And your daughter, I'm interested in her. And yet, you give me a daughter and then stab me behind the back and take back a daughter and give to a young boy. I mean, if I take my money and mine, young boy. Eh? Really, Jane? Talk to me, Jane. Talk to me.
You don't talk. Huh? Anything else? You think say here say work a court? Then the same thing they no work again. Where's the evidence in me give my daughter to young boy? Suppose a young boy she want. So me can't do about that. Me don't know about that. That new to me, Sir David. Money David. No come mix me.
Listen what me tell you now. Jane, listen. You might teach you something. You say, me can't get here, say. So you want to tell me say brother in one flesh and blood. I tell lie, you know when brother see me from road and tell me. That man respect me now. Your son respect me from the very ground. Because I take care of him too. I give him money out of my pocket. So anything he know, him come back and tell me. He not tell me lie. Why you don't want to tell me lie? Him boy say him come there. Come see, his sister there with boy, lock up. But him a fix lock. You don't know about that? You want to tell me you don't know about that?
As I said, this is new to me. And even if the same boy my son see him sister with man, that's not his business to find you, locate you and tell him sister business to you. Who is you? Is what? You want my son want you? Don't come here about my daughter this and daughter that. Me no know about it. And if me even know about it, me still don't know about it. Show him there.
Alright, I'm going to show you the final one in Jane because it's Santa Claus business I got done. You see anything named dear? I see your daughter with whosoever your son say can describe you. Know. You have to go left here. Me I make sure me buy out this place so you have to pack and leave here. You can't even touch nothing in here. So try hope say no. Cause you think this, you remember me tell you something? They say Santa Claus come once a year. But me there right through the year. As a good man, me there right through the year. And Santa Claus only come once a year. And me come like every day come buy food. Look how me make you look good. Look how you look young when you did old. Eh? Look how you look young.
We can't talk to you. Just have a seat. More and talk to you.
No, listen.
No, have a seat. Have a seat. Just have a seat. And more you looking at me and tell me the honest truth. You think me, Mary Jane, woman like me would so wicked to you? Eh? Me remember kindness, but I never give my daughter a young boy, and I never do it. So even if she have a young boy, me say me not know about it. Man, I never betray you and stab you in your back. As you say, you make me look good and me appreciate you. Me appreciate you, David. I'm not why I use my problem, then my cousin tell me to, not because they help me. The man that want work outside and need to know my business. You talk too loud.
Alright, you me as you know. Me just want to feel what I want, you know. Me don't want to say you know or you don't know. And when you don't know, I'm see with me two naked guy there when God give me and two. You are go through the door and she fear school I got done. Cause since that he want to play with me I finance him, she and I make she go and hold like a virgin till she 20. And me here say, you know, I'm going to take a leave.
All I do is stop financing and start finance me more. That's what you need to do.
Jane, I tell you say you're too old. I'm 25, you're 58. If I was 32, going 33, you would have a chance. But no, you can't have a chance. You go, Jane, you know what?
Young girl I want, young girl I shall get. What good?
So you think you're ready to talk to me now?
You know, so I'm pregnant.
Yo? You're pregnant who?
Pregnant. I don't know how I'll tell David this.
So fair baby.
No more years. Me didn't have sex since until me around 20, 23 that time there.
So how this go work out?
You
That
mean
me
how
wanna
this
know.
stuff? You have to find a way to work out. Because of your pitney.
You're sure I'm me alone here, right?
I am the only person.
Think you get so aggressive for me.
Because of how you behave.
Alright then. You know me as a trying youth. Yes, I mean, if you say I'm a youth, then I'm willing to take up a responsibility and do what I have to do. You see me? Me stand out as a father, but I just want you to try your best to not make your brother, nor your mother, nor David to know say I'm me a pregnant for.
Alright. Alright, me here. I'm trying my best.
So like you're pregnant, well, you can have something to do. You know, so I love to eat
Look how me
24/7.
But look how me not feel good.
Don't worry about that. Me will make you feel happy. Anytime you're sad, me will cheer you up. So don't worry about that. If you look next up, you put a smile on your face. Although you go feel pain. I want to do something before your brother come and call me. I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, sure. That man.
Big man.
What's that?
Where did you, man?
Why?
Sleep, though, you're comfortable.
You cannot before you come in.
No free room, a free room, now we can come in and ready, now I'm comfy on the bed.
Then go on your bed. We're interrupt with her.
Where man over here?
Are your business that? Me always a customer the same thing. Me can't bother with it. Me sick and
I'm not
freaking
telling
tired
you,
of
you
you.
can't man in here. Don't get no man in here.
You
don't
can't
want
tell
no
me
man in
that?
here.
Upon your bed in there or my bed?
Man, you. You want some figure, man?
Yo, happiness.
Come take him out now. So you with your man. Every day you come in with this friggin'
Hey,
jug.
I'll slap you. Hey.
Try me not try me. Try me. No, try me.
Fire.
Try me. You try me.
You love your life?
You feel like from my
You love your life, no?
Love my life, yes.
Yo, I'm telling you, it's all in a favor. Me put you out of this.
So I can't
You see, when you come in and ask me and your sister, you calm down yourself.
My man, that's.
So sit down this and calm yourself.
Right.
Alright. Yeah, general.
Stop touching me,
One
man.
man.
Yeah, general. Alright. Alright, Mr. Big Joe. Alright. Stay till me come back here. Don't move, fat boy. Don't move. Here, fat boy. Don't move. We soon come back. Don't move. Fat boy, don't move. Alright.
Lock the door.
I'm your brother.
I don't know where, man. Come back the line of the sea, cause you're not up there. You full of motor. You know, they're not.
See me?
Wait a minute. What man will you say? There.
I'm coming to come see man right there, so.
Which man me there pregnant baby?
And she
I'm making me look up a bed for go sleep. Me tired.
Go on, I'm sure. Go on,
Stop now.
Go on,
Move up, let the man show where my son is.
Go on, lie.
Yeah, you deserve it.
Look, you see it now.
Where you go? Where you go? Move your nasty this man. Where you go?
Me want to know what go on in here. Me must have been
Alright,
Baby,
look.
nothing is going
Look,
on
brother-in-law.
here.
Me see man said so. Me see man said so. And she said so. See her here. And the man said
Come off my bed now, sir.
Me here.
Come off my bed now.
So,
And when me come in here, the man bad me up and jait me up.
That is
Like
a
you and box me
lie.
and
Look,
throw me
nobody
away
not
so.
coming here. Just listen to me, baby. Don't worry yourself. Me not cheap on you. I sleep, me just
Cheap
stay
that,
asleep.
left
listen, my woman a virgin.
Virgin Mary.
But you.
Not
Yeah.
have no baby.
The marathon in, we tell the marathon in 20.
Mommy a liar.
Exactly. Don't come
She
mad
and her
no
mother
liar.
liar. Mommy is liar.
Ah, him a liar.
And mother about them a liar.
Look here, don't tell no lie.
She want to live like mommy. She want to fling herself like mommy.
Look here, I sleep, just still go sleep. And the boy, marching can disturb me, please.
Yo,
Hey.
listen what me I say now. Listen, me understand now. Not because me I give you money if you watch your sister. How more money you want, me can tell her for your
I'm
sister.
that.
Hello.
I true.
So you give money for watch me, that means you simple don't trust me.
No, listen, baby.
You don't
listen.
trust me. I'm gonna like
Me
this
don't want, me
someday.
don't want me I spend the money and then news I carry go around same way.
Here.
Me want you to watch you.
No.
I truth.
I wrong somebody this year make you said for watch me. Don't come skin up my face off of me like a smell shit in this.
You know what I do? You see, next time,
I got video.
A money you want, a money you could
Alright,
dirty football, you want to dirty girl and roll care money go
video
give.
now and show you tell me say I lie me I tell you.
no, me don't want no video. Me want to see it live, direct. Cause video can cut and
Alright.
clip together. You
Are
can,
you? Yes, a workless man.
Don't call me man no workless man, that's
You
stink
don't
on
wanna-
face.
you don't wanna
thing.
walk clean.
Come out
You
here.
want to workless
I'm gonna
alive.
like a dirty foot.
You don't want to workless alive.
me ask you first time, me money what this?
You know what money?
Alright, baby, go and what was
Look at
yeah?
you. I leave on my bed too.
Listen,
Cross his money.
listen, don't tell no more lie for your sister.
I'm going to tell lie for him first.
Me,
If you stop that like palm man, I don't like them style.
you need to sleep, not you, baby.
Me did that stick
You
on
need
me
that.
ears and me heart gonna put me for rise up. Because I say what
The man over there so
me
hug
say I
up.
must go man
I
I
draw
brought
about
me
me. The man over there so hug up. And the man
So how me not come back and see the man that's the thing?
Exactly.
the man good as you know when you pull the girl coming in here.
Don't tell, don't lie, don't do it, don't tell no lie for me, no lie people tell. Me don't like people tell lie for me, don't do it.
I saw today.
Don't like it.
Gotta
I'm
fix
gonna
your
go
business.
ball.
We talk to you if you watch your sister because you only have
Alright,
to
you go see one day. I go see somebody right. You know say me you so brother. This would happen to me.
It's a more ball, no like people tell
You
lie
go catch you on
for me.
somebody. Yeah, but I go jump out. Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, bad. Yeah, wicked. Boy.
Alright, later.
Boy, your mother is a cougar. Boy.
Yeah, but I me like a door. Alright, later here. You see you? You see you? I dead you
Wait,
one
man,
next
wait,
time.
man.
No worry
Where you
yourself.
come
Boy.
from? Where you
No worry
Because
yourself. Don't. Boy, I don't say nothing to
Make
me.
you want to do.
Who you? Come on. What mean by Who you?
Come on, come on,
What?
come on.
Talk about
Listen up, I'm
Who
on
you?
a robbery. Me and your daughter boyfriend.
My daughter boyfriend.
Yes, Brittany.
What? Brittany! Brittany!
Yes, mommy.
Out here now!
What you want?
How are this? Come on, come here.
prosecutor in here?
Talk.
He is my boyfriend.
You what?
My man.
Brittany,
What?
what you mean by your man? Not because me give you permission to talk to David. You think say you're a big woman, you still underneath my roof.
Me alone can't spend so much money with David and give me some have to use it for him too.
What is not this?
But it's not this.
So you think you're big now?
So I'm not big, you see me? Look. You see me big? Look at you. Don't do it. Me alone can't spend as much money, so I spend it for my man, my friend, different man. Look here, David alone can't please me.
You don't need to be talking to me like that. I understand I am not the best mom, but I'm trying.
You're not
You
sure.
don't need to be like me. You can be different.
No, are you me from so? Are you me come from?
You want to be a man. I'm not fixing the family issue.
Alright, later, come with me.
Oh, boyfriend. He meant I take your money, man. I don't want to road.
Don't worry yourself.
Stupid.
No worry yourself, brother. As long as I buy money, man, use it.
Take the money and save towards college, but you're mine, man.
Put her some more and go to college.
You're lucky.
Are you lucky? If
You're lucky.
Look here, lady. Please, come out to my business.
It's okay, no, Brittany. It's okay. You see? All along your brother was right. Me see you did that somebody, but you're worse than him.
Who is you to call nobody? Look here.
Your mother. The
You're
one.
worse than
Listen,
me.
shut up.
Don't tell me now. I'm not busy for my mother. Don't raise the voice up for me. Cockroach are gonna cock fair. Move from here, so. Bright.
According to the Bible, obey your parents so your days can be long. Obey me.
Look here, what the Bible say? If you listen to your pig, when a pig you're going to bat it all, if you dive, you're going to eat with him too. So that's nice. Excuse you, bye.
Right, why are you going to go?
Hello. I couldn't even tell mommy how to be a problem to you. Don't do it. Bright. Outside.
Miss sorry, the day I'm going to go pregnancy. Miss
No,
sorry.
Jesus. You're going to stay and you're going to keep on sorry. Because I'm me a sorry. You are sorry.
Hey, what is? Go on yourself.
Don't touch me.
Go on yourself. What's new, son?
Same old.
You still love me?
Yeah, but it's not gonna be a problem, man.
No matter what, I love you. You're my only son. Okay?
Yeah,
I will always love you.
yeah.
Mother. Good night.
Good evening, Brittany.
Some to confess. But can't look at your face when me I say it. So. You hear me? Promise you not gonna judge me. And you know, you gonna judge me?
I don't know. Let's see.
Well, me nobody want to tell them. You ever promise me say you're not gonna judge me?
I promise that I'm gonna listen to what you have to say and see from there.
Me pregnant.
Okay. Congrats.
So that officer? What kind of mother you be? We tell us we're pregnant. Okay. Congrats. What kind of mother you be?
Brittany,
What?
what do you expect? Anyways, I'm glad. Said David finally get her pregnant. Fantastic news. Him could wait till I reach 20. Thank you, Jesus. What a dream come true. Money I go run now, girl. Money I go run.
Yeah, man, I go run.
Stay happy.
Happy, yes. This one just a burden, you know? No. Yeah.
So, how far along are you in the pregnancy?
1 month. 1 month.
So you feel? You feel happy?
Let me say so.
You never ready?
No, I'm never ready.
You expect anybody?
No. Oh. Hi.
Good night.
Good night.
Night, mother-in-law. Good night, Mr. Informer.
Move, man.
Hey, where you kick him for? Mommy talk to the boy and come over butter bruise him in here, you know.
I need peace.
Always.
Peace.
Mommy, see, I make this in front of you, isn't it? They don't respect you, bro.
They don't respect me. Your time will come.
What a big happy family reunion. Call out for your wife, yeah.
I'm going to tell you. Brittany, now my class are grown. You have a room inside there.
Mommy, mind your business, please. I want to cuddle the son.
Yes, baby. Giselle. Yeah, man, I can't forward over now. The right time to forward over. Alright, where am I come?
No man not complain of no woman.
Wait, you're so sick. Nah, hold on. Mommy, me have a surprise here. Yeah.
I would have.
Here they. Life good.
Namaste, girl.
Me, no must be girl.
I want to see the girl.
You want to be girl now?
I mean, I'm gonna say no. She really eat the food and I give it down.
Eat.
I'm hungry.
Oh, Ease. Oh, baby, no. Out there.
Hi.
Sister.
Hi,
Sister.
David. Oh my God.
So,
It's really
Why?
nice to see you.
you call me a while ago on the phone. So,
Yes.
No.
Hey boy, you know if you want Informer.
Hey, come here now.
See, man, there. I am this. The
Not
boy.
right now.
The man. I am man.
We are top, bro.
I'm mad, Lisa.
Yes,
No.
I don't want that.
No,
Me,
it's
I don't want
not
that.
my man.
Listen.
Stop now. Sit down now, man. I feel like five foolishness, brother.
My brother and I this I think you can.
Boy, I stop the man, try stop man food.
Sit down now, man.
No. This my brother and I.
So, what are you?
Brother and I, bad man, I hear. Play my brother and I, you see.
You don't know me, you know. But me, I go clarify myself to you. Ask somebody about me. I am a long lost cousin. So are you the I must love my woman.
Me and him don't have nothing. We are friends.
We are not.
Mom, you talk
friends, we're
to him, man.
together.
You man understand how man.
So, David, don't worry about this man. Welcome officially to this family. She's
Wait.
pregnant for you. Pregnant, finally. I want a grandson. Grandson in the place with the football in.
Jim, you realize what you said to me right now?
She pregnant.
Yo, so me know na hypocrite, you know.
For who?
Tell the man the truth, no.
What truth?
For
Tell the
who?
man, say, I know.
Jim, what you say she do?
You have impregnated my own daughter at age 17. Congrats.
Let me talk to you, can you
No,
talk to you?
shh. Jim, me tell her, say, I want your daughter when your daughter at 20. Jim, I think your daughter is still a virgin. What you mean by me impregnate your daughter? Me and your daughter never sleep.
Tell him in trouble.
Jim, A Virgin Mary.
This is so wonderful.
No confess.
Kanu? So I'm a David Peter Cherry. Ama can you
So
say?
don't mark your name.
Call him Big Joe, big fat boy. Call him so big back, big baby boy.
I'm pregnant for.
Look up and tell him.
Just come out from the boy, yeah?
Listen,
No, come here.
listen. He don't like us.
Don't touch my son. Don't
It's
eat.
your can.
Not the place,
Take
not the
a
time.
video of me. Take a video of me.
Relax, son, relax.
Mommy,
Just
you have to
relax.
relax. You can't tell me you can't make your don't touch my man, right?
Listen,
I was pregnant, me beat you in this.
listen.
You have the audacity to be standing beside this man about your man.
Get the things.
Leave me alone.
Get the things.
No, we need to start
One
out
more.
this
Get
first.
the
Oh.
things
We
then.
need to start out this first.
I'm the man that paid the bill here. So you know what? There's no thing to start out right here. You see, by a morning,
Yeah.
when you pack up the bag, I'm matter of fact, from tonight, when you go and take up the bag, don't take up nothing from out here.
What
No worry, you're right at the front. I'm buying this place.
Alright.
So you're going to have to leave here. You and your mother and your so-called baby father look like he that you have dollar in your pocket right now.
When the child born,
Yeah,
the
that's
child can
things,
come
yeah.
stay with him nephew,
Get your things.
with him uncle, sorry.
Jane, you look like you're pan crack. Jane, we feel like you're really the pan crack. Jane, you have to more coke.
So you mean say you kick me out?
Jane, I tell you, said if you didn't hide anything from me,
Two brother,
you
fat
get
boy.
that.
Two brother.
If your son never come, it's his night. We will see children. So I'm going to the door and me I pay this bill. You have my money and my man. You know, around me and my brother, I watch you.
Good.
You see?
Farmer.
Come on! Leave me man alone. Leave me man alone. Come on! Leave me man alone.
Take off this one.
What? Shut him now.
When you take these people, you know me? Me fighting at this thing. Leave him alone. Leave him. Come here. You give me this. Let it go. You know me? Don't pay me here. Don't pay me. I'm not going to man. I don't care. And you put me in a situation here. Did I open your legs, Brittany? Eh? Did I open your legs? It's about choices. I don't care. Your days shall be bitter. Trust me. Don't play with me.
Go on.
Happy because every rich man thinks that we never out here
Dirty
now.
man, where?
At least I got your chance.
Shut up.
They choose to my man.
Hate you.
I hate you more. I should have abandoned you. Disgusting. Oh no.
Again.
Tell them about Pitney.
Take up your wig.
Let me come on too.
Take up your wig. And you come out and go on.
Yeah.
The wig come like you have for all years and I wash it. Hurry up, go. Hurry up, go.
Hey.
Go on. Yeah. Put out your mother. Right.
I don't want to push on the dirty and frowning.
Oi, my
I don't want it.
Give me. Tease. Tease like your mother. Where your mother? Where they? Your mama there. Now put him on.
No, come on. Go on. Yeah, man, go on. Hey, come here. Come here, James. Come here. This is part of the property.
One last spoon, please.
Take the last spoon, okay? Come. One last spoon, Jane. One last spoon. You should have put her back the wig in your ball to water and soap.
Hello guys, welcome to PFS Films, where we're producing our movie called My Crazy Ex-Girlfriend. Please guys to share, leave a comment, subscribe and support us along the journey. And also we'll be giving away a flat screen TV to anyone who wants to win this when they entire films get to 20K subscribers. So continue guys on our journey and see what our next upcoming movie is all about. Thank you. Ashley, don't I'm glad we come up here and spend a holiday with you. Papa, you're just boring so.
I'm really glad to see you come because really and truly, most of the time me dey here me boring because remember say my boyfriend just go and come in, he not really stay here. So I don't want the company. That's why me even get a big bed to show you say me really appreciate the company. Yeah, because I'm alone there in a big old house.
Most time?
Yeah.
You want?
Yeah, because my boyfriend only come when I want him. Or when he want me, just come over. That's how we do it, he not stay here.
I never know.
So when me get the call, I hear say I come, me feel good because me I say, yeah man, company at last.
A long time. I didn't want to come up here still. Every minute my mother said, no, 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 no. You're not going up there.
You know say, once you call me and tell me say you want to come, no problem because me and your first cousin. And plus tax, we almost the same age. And call, you're nice, you're not nasty or nothing.
That's not true. Because you know, so me help clean up and thing. Don't worry about that, man.
The place good for the place. I told you there. And the place clean. If I did even me and somebody else there, the place would nasty. Because when I time did have one friend who come stay with me. Oh my god. I worst thing ever said to her to come stay with me. She wake up, she not pray the bed, she eat, she not wash her plate. So me just make her go on.
But you know what? Let's take a look at walk about around the place.
Yeah man, you can go walk and get to know a place.
Alright.
Me I cook some food, so when I come back, me cook.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah man.
Yes. Come on, cook like crush down.
Babes, I get home last night. I'm tired man, I'm just done being.
This one make your skin look pretty, you know? Alright. Now what I wash off and go up on the road. No my thing.
I cook you know, me I cook. So make sure say you're being when you come back.
Come on, start all full, man. I
Alright.
love
man.
that way I put my skin. It make you look shiny and good.
Yeah man, go and come.
So forward.
Between me and you, no girl, I want man me come meet you on there.
Which part to find man down here, so? So far, I really come down here, so we gonna look, man.
Upon Instagram, I meet him, you know. And I say, we just meet up today. So, but the vibe where he show me today, I don't like it. So, I say, man, just left and just back on my yard.
Could have what kind of vibes you show you, so? Are you full of lives and vibes, eh?
You want... I mean, just annoy him.
I get what you're saying, no girl. And I lie you tell. As soon as I take up their money, they just want to lay down so. They even take you out. Look at dinner, nothing. Just catch your yard so. That's it. No man. But anywho, let's come off of your topic then.
Yeah, man.
But as me I say, you know, say me no know a little surrounding around here.
You know, say, I hold me there, but I can't show you around here, you know.
Eh?
So come on, I can show you.
Alright.
Come on. Around here, so don't sit here.
Eh?
And then we lost.
That's a bushy door.
Have a long journey. Why? I'm tired. Don't wait, man. I'm tired.
No, sir. But Tash, how you know about them places here?
You don't know me, girl. Me unruly. Me know everywhere. What do you?
True. But just remember say you always unruly at high school. Watch you too. You make me nice. Hello, mommy. Yeah, I'm alright. But just walk out the scheme. Mommy a big girl now, I can't stop growing myself. Yes, I'm alright, me can take care of myself. I'm a good man. I have local company I walk on the road, I don't me alone. Yes, a good people them man. Alright. Me tell her when me reach up. Alright.
I say your mother strict.
Yeah, girl.
So come on, can you continue?
Why? I'm tired. No, man.
A long journey, go, man.
But anyway, you know, say my cousin I cook. I'm going to make a long journey go back over.
Alright.
So your number change?
You know, say change see my number 355
Mm-hmm.
2652.
Alright.
Yeah. I don't say I see where we are go back, but I reach before you do it. Yeah.
Ashley, I'm tired as the girl.
How where you come from tired so?
You know, say I want to look walk out, me go take. I know, say I go down to Mr. Brown shop. And me I say, why this man always had this A&I shop and they don't taste it? What of them steal like a walk? I want to look a long walk, me go for ya, man.
At least I take a look at walk, a long walk. I'll be able to today I cook right now.
So baby love, how are you cook?
You forget it today Sunday, no much rice and pizza and chicken me I cook. You want some?
Yeah, girl. You know, how long me there ask me want look for food to eat. Thank God I dey cook.
We are cousin, I will practically live here. So you no must have to get food. The food soon don't cook still, so you can't sit down this and get.
You know, so me I mad somebody. But anyway, when the food done cook, you can call me and tell me, yeah?
Alright.
Alright.
gone on our room.
What? This smell good.
Thanks.
How are this? Chicken I cook for us, Star.
Baby,
What's gonna
see your bed over there so I can cut up your now for you cook.
Okay.
You know, say I have a lot more things. I could have cooked chicken alone and you not eat chicken.
Rice and peas.
Yes, the rice and peas.
Whoa! Alright, when you're done, come hungry, you know.
Alright, yeah, we'll find you.
See, that's a cool.
Well, go on, girl. You know, what's me there? Yeah, me just walk up, me could sell down, I come from down a Mr. Brown shop. Which river? Girl, you see the rain does fall. Turn your yard. Which river in the daytime you want to go river? Tomorrow we can't go, man. It better because the time is so late. Alright. Yeah. But anywho, later, cause my sister cooking on right now, me tired. Cool. Alright. Cause,
Eh?
can I ask you a question?
What?
How you know when you're in love?
Because it's just a slight feeling I get in your heart. You know when your body just start tingle, everything start changing, I see that person. You feel that little feeling there in your chest start tighten up. That's so.
Oh, now me understand. You know, say, it's been a long time. You know, say, in a primary school, me used to love this boy, you know. And we used to play every day and have this tight conversation. We do work together, everything together. And me tell you something. It was the one time the boy turned really fall in love with him. But me never know to express my feeling. True, me just did too fool.
Listen, I'm telling you something. It's when you find love, don't let it go. You're running the hand out if you there.
So Ashley, suppose that love really break me.
Well, you must know, you know. You must know if you break your butt. You try find that, you try to put that love there and don't make it run like fine.
I will take your advice.
So come here. I want you to fall in love with now.
Ashley, you know, still not find nobody. We just want to understand the reality about life and what is love.
Alright, that's good. Food soon don't cook anyway.
Alright, when I'm really finished, call me back then.
Alright.
Thank you.
She was in here, no? Yellow. Oh, yeah. Me I come right now. Me name remember, you know? I never remember, cause me have to go. Me have to go. It's urgent.
Alright.
Oh yeah, do bathroom I use.
Yeah, me a bathroom.
Boy, I love bathroom. So alright, me have to go pick up 3 t-shirt when me I come back.
Alright.
Yeah, yeah, they are left out, you know.
Time boring, sir. You call Tash. Tash,
Hello. How is this?
a shots man.
Oh, what one girl?
Me there, you know, me there just in the house boring.
Mm.
Now we can have a fun time and company.
You know, so time hot, we don't want to go to the river, you want to come?
But try reach you before me, you know.
Yeah, man.
But hold on the Tash. Me don't know exactly where you are talk.
Alright, so meet me same spot where we meet up last time.
Oh, alright.
Yeah.
Boy.
Shads.
What's she doing?
Tash,
What one?
where are we as I leave your phone?
Last time I always come phone on the road, then TC. So me rather make me call and whatever me I do on my phone when me in the yard. Give me carry me then TC one next time. This time.
Alright, so come lead the way.
Come on. Reach an house, you know?
No man, this is a journey afar.
Yeah, but we reach. Now we rich.
No, sir.
I don't know about you, but me have when I walk, you know. Maybe what my bottom maybe not foot. I'm going on. May not drop there.
I feel like my skin a
If
crack.
you drop me, I laugh. Alright. I say water cool. You like to go to park? No, sir, because of
Here, sir.
I run up from your mate, you know. Come.
So I have to come up here.
Enjoy yourself, man. I'm not really too much of yourself, you know.
Wow. You pretty girl.
For me?
No, not you. She.
Me?
Yes, can we have any spare time? You don't come from Boya.
No, I'm new to this place.
You know what I'll swim. Are you sister?
No, man, I'm a friend.
Oh. Hello.
Hi.
You look hungry though.
You like to worry about?
Anyway, you know that pass there pass through. Come here and come for look for the river.
Oh, you live around here?
Yeah man, we live nearby here. Well anyway, so we can get a number and you take my number and talk a lot and you know, get to know each other.
I would take your number and I would text you. Alright.
363
Okay.
69 16.
Alright.
Yeah.
I will text you.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Take care of me, you know.
I'll send him a picnic.
They're your friend. Alright, yeah.
Alright, bye-bye. But anyway, Tash, you know him?
No.
Really? At first I see him on the surroundings.
I don't know.
Oh.
Well, you know, so me know him not as in like that, but we see him pass.
Before.
I don't know about him though.
You seem like a nice person still.
I don't know. Yeah, I have it. Now you give him number, so I have it, you know. Get to
But
know
me,
him.
I have to ask you, because you know, so I'm not used to this surrounding.
That's the thing, you know, you see people, but they will give you the number.
Oh, nothing wrong if you have a little conversation.
It depends on who still.
That's not true. Not everybody have to communicate.
Well, the water no up me tour them the beautiful toes. So
Right now, me cool.
yeah, go on, come on. Man, don't drop the car, they're very slippery when they're wet. Alright. Oh, you know, if your phone think you would have easy.
Really?
Drop me a minute now.
Cash be a pan, you know.
Come now.
Ashley. Oh, Jesus, you know, I come from the river.
Tell me all about it.
I met somebody today, you know.
That's good.
Me and my friend and we go down there. It was kind of having a nice conversation and everything. And I meet this man and he seemed like a very nice person. So we exchanged number and so forth. But I'm trying to convince myself if should I have this really conversation with him.
Well, one thing we can tell you, no shot, follow your heart. Because when you follow your heart, you will find love. You see, this time at the age where you be, it's good for you to find somebody now than you don't have nobody. You understand what I say?
That is true. Maybe I true mommy grow me still strict and everything. But me I take me little time out and enjoy myself, you know?
So what this guy name? You get his name?
Yeah. Him name Jay.
Jimmy. Never heard of him. So I say I like him?
Kinda.
Alright then. Me not see nothing bad. So guess what? When you're gonna meet him again, you'll see him again around.
Maybe. Me think about that.
You take your number?
Yeah, I have it in my phone still.
Good. Because remember something tell us, you know come far down here. I mean I go rush out to get a relationship quick, but me I tell you say you must find somebody. Just like how me have my husband. Me I'm not really married, but me have him as my husband because I love him like that. So I see him somewhere I find somebody and be happy too.
Alright, me see how it go.
But one thing going on, make sure that this J person I have no woman, you know. And make sure that him take it serious. You understand? Because I don't want nobody hurt my cousin.
Adapt me there pre. Cause me I look at it. You see how man tan nowadays? It's dreadful, brother.
And if you talk about woman nowadays, then we have 10 women and want 5 more. You don't understand how they come so.
Some of them all have baby mother that tell lie on road.
Some of them, it baby just born. They for 1 week and they out the road and look at that woman. And then before they go stay with them baby mother. So man wicked nowadays. Woman wicked too, but you have to be careful, man. Cause look how you're nice and sweet. They will take you for idiot and use you. Me don't want that.
Well, that's true. Too much things are going on in reality right now. You can't afford for just lose focus, you see me?
Keep your head on your body. You know what? Me say follow your heart, but also follow your mind too. You see, if your mind said or your gut said this not feel right, you go away. You understand? Because your heart too soft, you know. So your heart, remember say you love in your heart, you know. So you will love a person, but your mind not tell you say you must leave. You follow your mind too. You hear?
Alright, I'll take a look at advice there. But for a while, I just see what it work out.
And next time you have to worry about you must can invite your cousin. Because I want to meet their friend here too.
No problem.
Alright.
Alright. Well, go on, Ashley.
They know I'm taking some video about TikTok.
Ashley, you remember the person when tell us to meet at the river? You know, say invite me over here. I mean, I wonder, I tell you before I go.
So let me ask you a question. You know where you live?
Well, you send me location per WhatsApp, so me find my way, man.
One more thing do before you go. You sure say you not call him a call if he kill you?
Ashley, as I did tell me before, you always say me to follow my instinct and my heart. Me sure no say nothing to do me.
Alright, so you plan today? You plan to sleep over there tonight?
No, Ashley, come on, I do that to myself and just throw to myself and go people yard, so me I'll come back home, man. Just let the door open for me.
Alright, just get it. I'll leave the door open for you, man.
Alright, no problem.
So
Me
I'm
I'll
serious.
call you now.
Yeah, man.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Who that?
Shad.
Oh! Oh, but they left you go at home.
What going, Jay?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, man.
Alright, this time we'll go home look.
So you still live?
You want me can't be there. What time location good, man?
They look nice, man. See, have a look at Bible.
You have to read, you know, read that Psalms.
So what going?
And the second, like, it is this, you shall love your neighbor as yourself. There is no other commandment.
Wait, my Bible.
Yeah, man. You can't sit down still, man. You can't sit down.
Alright.
So, your cousin knows say come over, right?
Yeah, no, some come over, man. She don't hear that she alright.
Yeah, me I said, boy, better me ask somebody over, because my last girlfriend wasn't pretty.
So what happened?
If me go to the toilet, she never come in.
How fart?
If me even like kitchen, I cook, she be there.
I was so?
If me even get good day at work, she will palm me across the road.
I saw she have one?
She crazy, man.
No man, she has security.
And she be very... Sometimes I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. One day my friend them go out party, you know, and have the two domino, a she that can like domino table. Me don't know she reach out of there.
No?
Over mates. How this?
But I think I said me done.
Look here. When you say something, no, me not take that person, isn't it? Every time we live with them, you know, see how we that.
No, but I'm tired of them puppy game there.
Girls are Achilles. Say me a pen for me trouble Achilles.
Why
So you come with
let me
an
ask you a
answer
question.
promise?
Why every year I move go?
Oh, so me ask you a question. So you have a girl aside this me, not true?
We just know the girl. Why you call her a girl?
Me no business
Respect
because
her.
she's a girl, baby love. If ever things on here,
And
pop
you
them
know
on
what,
things.
Jay? You know what? Me not in the mix up.
listen.
Me not in the mix up. Yeah, your woman can sort out this thing. Me not in the mix up. Sorry, but yeah, come card.
Look at you.
Excuse me, not time
Yeah,
for
you
you.
done. Yeah, you done.
Yeah, make me so stop, no man.
Why you have to follow me?
I just stop and come there, but I'm gonna lie down and sleep and talk about things.
Listen, you can't follow me up. Every time you follow.
Why me can't follow you? Me ain't there.
No, we left.
No, me not take that.
Me want to hear me can't get it.
If I want you to turn on the fan, get like a breeze.
Me get a chip to fly out. You tear up my ticket.
Me.
And my passport.
No, because y'all run and play out left me. You know who was to go look no woman. Me have to be there behind of you. And you know that.
Me get a 3-month contract to go work. To make money, you know what money?
Oh, work,
You
work.
think, well, I'm asking you a question. You think love no need money?
Love can't fool my belly. Hope you can't fool yours.
No, without love, there's no money, there's no love. Because guess what? If
So when
there-
you love you, love me.
No, I love you, but you don't understand. If me.
You know that more here say I love me, so that's
No,
why
no,
I feel
not
that.
no.
Babe, just stop one.
That they love the dead long
You
time.
go broke me hand, you know,
You
so me
can't
have
grow back.
experience.
That love they can't grow back. That love they stand like how and die. You know them, what you call it?
Let them over here.
You know the time battery dead?
But you can't, by the time battery did a charge it up back and it.
Panasonic battery cannot charge up when it dead. Once it's dead, you take your remote and dash it by a different one. That's how you
So what kind of disrespect this? Me now come out, me now come out. It makes sense to call lie down my bed. Call lie down my bed with me. Come.
You see when you tell like one see that tree, you know better because when you cut down and see that tree grow back, but you know.
Alright, me can't be a see that tree for you. You don't want that?
No.
You know somebody do anything to please, just stop no man.
No, listen.
Make sure so that tree
Listen.
come back over here.
My love come with respect. My
But
love
me
come
have
with
respect for you.
my love come with space and ear. Me not get that.
Me tell you if I want space, go over there, so me stay over there, so you want ear. Turn on the fan, no brother, and stop the foolishness, no man.
You come like a AC. You just a float around me. Me can't escape from in my room. No matter which corner we there, me a feel you.
Because me and you there. That's it, like the relationship now.
No. Yeah, me
Look
understand.
here, look here. That's not bad with the body left.
Why do you think some man and woman hang
But then what
themselves?
we can't do without that, just stop no man.
Listen now.
Alright.
Me now, listen. The
Listen.
last man you're there with, he ball by phone because of you. Me not in that.
And
You hurt me by not giving me space. That is the
at least
hurt.
you get loyalty what more you need. You don't get love and
Make
loyalty.
love to the loyalty, but
You don't get respect.
no. When they respect you, man, I want to give space.
So I'm gonna give you space for a while, me just be gone, so I wanna go.
My friend them
Me
come.
never there here, me just come here. You know,
My
get
friend
a
them
space.
there until you want to feel attention. When you know they have get attention, you put on them.
So what? They say that let fart be free, so me fart.
No.
You're not fart, you're not poop. Ask me after that question, you're not poop.
But you can't do that. If you have come manners and respect.
Only friend of you have is me. Me no business what you want to say, is me? I just saw the situation.
No,
Yeah?
tell something. No, tell something. Tell
So
something.
we ask call me from here.
No, hold on. You know, make me walk and go reach a 10th floor. Hold on. Your love is too tight.
So enough tight.
That mash up business.
If you tell like come can hug you.
No, me get work. I'm the work. Let me on 3 o'clock and you did it 2:50. Where you do? People have to call me.
Come here and wait for you to make sure you're safe going home. Me know I feel lonely.
Me have to double shift and you sit down there. Same way. What you do? You mash up.
love.
Love me backside.
I know like say me not come to the place can support the place same way. I am.
With my money you come down, the damn hotel is expensive. You can buy one beer for $10 US. Yeah, you crazy?
Yeah, did me like you know love me. I love me. That's true.
Me did love you. But
Where you been dead? Don't look here. No bother with it. Don't bother with it. Just come.
Hey.
Alright, give me a cup. Put on a cup.
No, me don't want to put no Isla Tanya for me. No.
Our name so.
The last time you clean up my corner, there's something to a red back around there. Name Isla, me now move here. I'm a brokey. That's how you never there. No, me move come here so. Me I make sure we check. Me I make sure we check before.
Just give me a cup and put it down for you, man.
No, you go on.
I don't want to leave. I know that. I don't want them. I just want to say, just please. Me I beg you.
Can't take him. Can't take him.
But we can't take this here embarrassment in front of people. You make a girl come up on style me just a while ago.
She's a Christian.
Me business Christian chat so, and I go. It makes sense to listen to me here.
Just go on.
Put me on.
Me give you money, you go on. Me no want.
How much money have you give me? I mean, I want me no business. Can me not put money over with love? I just love.
No. You see, my love come with respect. I say we can't get respect. There's no more yes. You understand? Sex is not all. I need ear. I need time to do what I do. The 3 months where you make me miss. You know what money we lose? Couple $1 million me lose.
But none of my fault.
Maybe a Jamaican slave on myself and make it. You think a boy if you can call for $10,000 a week?
If you didn't know, you look about something for the toe, say toe could have fly and go over. You look about for yourself alone. Only think about yourself, you left me down to suffer, not true. By the time when you go up to you change your mind and nobody want to find a new girl up there.
No.
That's the reason I'm tear it
If
up.
you trust your
I
man,
mean, I regret it.
if you trust your man to go in one,
I
go
don't trust
and
you.
come
But you
back.
feel me up on their skin like a tick so we can...
Even the car now, and there you work at the same place. And a white girl pass and say, hi, hello.
Hi, hello.
Yeah, look for
No,
that.
but that tell
Oh,
her
wait.
what is hi, hello.
Same thing. So that's the reason why we never look for nothing.
Me no want no get a call to my mom.
Well, that's the
Alright,
thing
talk
you
to
better
my mom.
plan. We don't need what if I staff up there.
So what you want to send me so far and you still there because you want the so-called
Yeah, though.
Christian.
No, me have to call police. You know.
Call which police?
But go on.
Just some of the foolishness. You know, me come back tomorrow, yeah?
Hello.
Give me a
Hello.
hug now. Give me a hug now.
Look at me. Me have been an officer. Then they want a pit bull. Yeah. No bother. Sorry, sir. Sorry. I think I dial the wrong number. Yeah. Okay, no problem, sir. Sorry. Alright.
Ashley, you know what take place since night, girl?
What?
When me done go down a jail, one piece of calamity and drama.
What happened?
Ex come show up and then I come call me, girl, and I come create chaos in the house. Jay just a show me around the place and thing and we in just they have a good conversation, Ashley. I can't believe that this girl to me almost put myself in a...
Jesus Christ, girl, what a lucky thing say come back alive to. Post the ex till you down there.
I hit me I say, me have to take myself and hurry up and come out because me not know me so.
Jesus Christ, listen. I just want me to tell you saying you have to be careful of who you pick up.
Me know what Ashley.
Me know some tell you say if you follow your heart, but sometimes you must also follow your mind too. Because your heart can lead you astray. Sometimes you must follow your mind too, girl.
That's true.
Me just glad to nothing of you still.
That's
true still. Me just happy to me come back home still, you know, and everything.
So a girl, my girl do, she no care nothing.
No, she come up in my face and I come cuss. Like say, me ready for intervene in everything XYZ. Fear pass is fear pass. Right?
So as a ex, what she do her ex yard?
I don't know.
Well, that's strange. Anyway, as we say, I'm glad to not do you.
I just tired and frustrated. The amount of things that the girl already become class. Me. And throw a word.
Listen, as for them stay now, the ex-girlfriend them, so when them see a next woman and them man yard, them are gonna always find things to talk about the girl, right? So I lucky thing say and she ain't in no war. Because I'm frightened to say she no really care nothing. Because as an ex-girlfriend and see woman and man yard, they would have fight. You know one girl when named Rebecca, you know. She did have one boy which she loved so much. Yes, and I see where one girl did their boy yard, but she never really left the boy. And you know, so you go stab up the girl.
Jesus.
Yes, she just come catch the girl on the bed and just stab him up.
Me be careful with my life right now, cause me can't take the drama.
You see, love is a wicked thing, so you have to be careful. Some people, they will say they love you, but they don't really love you, they just like you, but they just take it on a different level, so you have to be careful.
Me not take her advice the wisely, no Ashley. But you know what, me feel tired, so me I'll take some liquor rest now.
Yeah, man. You can do that. Fold with that, fold up so close.
Alright. You know what, no help?
No, Sam, you're alright.
Alright.
Woman, go up on the road, go hold a drink and I want to. Isn't it?
Yeah, man, babe, no problem. Me can understand, say, you want a little time for yourself. No problem. Go
So-
and come back.
Princess, go up on the road and follow there.
Alright.
Between me and you know, I don't like come and chat to you so nice, you know. I'm here alone in fear, princess.
So what is wrong with that, Ashley? It's not like me and try get intimidated in your relationship.
Me not something. Me just say I'm me alone in fear, princess. Me not like that. But anyway, me just make it pass.
Alright, sir.
Tash, that's me tired man.
Alright, sir.
Journey man, Jesus. So far if I come here so? No why me stop. You know so something bother me.
What could I bother you, sir? We just a while come down happy just a while ago.
Tash, you see, remember the guy we meet and I tell you about? Something really happened the night me really meet him. Auntie. Him have this ex-girlfriend. Me never know say so crazy that girl be. Me say, when me done one piece of drama take place in the house.
What you mean by drama? Talk up, man. Just cut the story short and get to a point. What really happened down there?
When me look at me reach at the place, their girl can't show up and want come cuss and a galang the most way in the house. It come like them still close together or something. And I don't know. Me feel so frustrated. But they have to cut and leave. I couldn't stay there.
Girl, I could have beat the girl. She had text and lick him down, but bless her no finally broke out if you bet not get no serious. So the best thing I can tell her right now, you know, if you just move on. I'm not thinking worthy. Because them the thing that move on. Enough money in the world. You look good still, so just move on and loyal to them. Because maybe they still in that business. I don't know, but just move on.
Tash, you know, so I understand what you're trying to tell me, say.
Mm-hmm.
But you know what? My cousin always tell me to follow my heart. I follow that instinct. But right now, me and you know they're on the same page. You see? Alright now.
Well, Chads, whether same book, same cover, same Bible, same page, whatever that, but then was.
Chad, you can talk to you.
Okay.
What are you going to say?
No, I want to talk to you private right here.
Tash.
Do you think that's private enough? But
Yeah, you're good right here.
yeah, man.
I collect some piece of money to give you what deal with.
Mm-hmm.
But later in the night, I'll call you over. So I'm going to sleep.
Alright.
You hear what I say?
You watch out for your phone call, man.
Alright. So,
Ah.
you say I'm going back to your friend.
Yeah, man. How are you, Matao?
No, man, everything alright. Stay ready, you know? Tash, what happened?
Nothing. Come on, for go where you go. Because if you got something over my auntie, so I just want to help her and come back.
Alright.
Yeah, come on.
I'm not too long past your friend. Where are you over here?
That's the thing. She sent me free money. They forgive her.
Who?
Shots.
Which money?
The money we forgive her.
How much money she had really sent you to me for now? Make up your mind.
$1 million. Yeah.
$1 million.
Did she tell me?
Alright, $1 million. Let me take it. Go ahead. $1 million.
$1 million she tell me. She said, must come for money from you.
Try $1 million to my house. Let me ask her a question now. You think me don't watch your eavesdrop and a cocky here?
Me? A eavesdrop?
Listen to me, just one.
Alright,
You know what, if you don't want me to tell Shad this everything, let me tell you what.
Alright.
I love mercy. I want to put on this by the way. Tell me now something. Let's go about you there, man.
Still not feeling no shots. I'm really glad to ask you to come stay with me. Because sometimes there I'm afraid. Because I hear dog them out the door back and sometimes I wonder if somebody will come. You know, see me alone stay here.
You know, so I'm glad you come to feel like a holiday. Actually, I don't know how I'm happy right now up here. Have a look of freedom and everything. Right now, I just enjoy my little self with you, know.
Yeah, man, the place quiet and nice. I like it, but out the door dark, I need to get one light put out there so. Because more when me come, if me go nowhere at night time, more if nobody there so me can see them. Because I'm afraid I dark, you know.
Me too.
Even me not gonna feel like tonight, you know, so me hope you not go bother you.
No, go bother me at all, man. That's alright.
Hold up.
Hello?
Hello?
What go on?
There.
You good?
Yeah, man, me alright. They are relax me look yourself.
So where you there?
They want me not chill out and not talk to my cousin.
So me can't see you right now.
Yeah, man. Time not too late.
Alright, so just come down and just push out me away from you to gateway.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Cause I want my friend them, man. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna go on the road and come back, is it?
But do you think, man? Alright, be safe.
Alright.
I must know like no how to do this, you know.
Me use the phone light, man. Alright. Me a big girl now.
No, I just want to trust you, but go on. You come back?
Yeah, me a come back quick and fast.
Oh, alright.
Alright.
Why? Not when it's like, I don't know, hold on. I have to use this stick to find the car.
So you mean you can't cook up?
Wait!
What's your?
We have the yard.
What she there do ya? You better try to talk to your woman now. So now you want me come in our bed with me. Girl, come out. Out.
No, listen. Whitney, we tell you everything, man, you're done.
Me you can't done so. Me you cannot done like that.
I see me love.
Love what? No love no did they so yes so you love it. And I yes so you like it. Me not let me know.
Me tell you what. Tell you, I'm never come back and
So oh
when you stop piss me.
Me a piss you?
A matter of fact, what you have me asking you know, why when we move, you move there, you know, tell me I know, why you have people and do this?
Because I love you.
No, love no go so.
If in this still love you would have turn with you. Baby love, come out to my business and no, you don't exist anymore. Come here. You make a girl in here and style me.
You know what you do? You turn off for the night, we go to hotel.
Oh, hotel, you don't care nigga hotel, but I want to care that day when I go hotel. Oh, we don't call that day.
No.
Mash you up. Mash you because of me and feel pension money by you. Mash you up. What's here?
What you call pension? What you call pension? Me look, don't call them no old power. Me no hold. Me no hold.
My
Please.
grandparents and pension and we call it then.
Through the door.
Me not go nowhere. If I go hotel, me I come a hotel too. Anyway, go me they go.
Listen, we not want no hotel, no motel, no cocktail.
Look here. Look here. When I can't Tanya argue. Me come here and I see something over. Nothing no change and she what she doing here so you know what this? You know what? You can continue keeping my support. Me not in a no drama.
You can't do
You
that.
can't do this. You can't do man when you call this. Miss, if you want to keep him, you can. Okay? Then go on. Okay? Are you married if I go through the door? Me can't go when we're ready. Shut up, man. Me kick you in your face and shut up. Area go make you disrespect like that. No, my man. Are you a man or my man? Me ask you a question. You're a man or my man? You exist again. You better gladly still go about my business. Yeah, you may be still right here, but we love you. At least you have the key for the door. Which door? You have the key for the door. Which door?
You know.
No, that. Oh, me get in here.
As a man, me I change a lot.
Change a lot there.
Me I change a lot there because where you get an extra key from.
Yeah, I give me the extra.
Come on, which part you find key for coming on? I pick me lock.
Me go about my business. I cannot take this drama anymore. Me not in and no mix up and no calamity with the Miss, you can't keep him. He still remain. Me not in and no mix up. Me go about my business. I do not care. I do. Look here, me finish my speech. I excuse. Look at excuse yourself. Girl, don't start with me tonight. Try controller no. Try controller. Yeah, man. Try controller. Alright. No one is bad. She bad. You think you bad? You don't think what you want. What you want? War. Run up on this now. What? Just run up on this girl. Just run up on the girl now. Yeah, what I'm saying, a girl. Me not go about people. Me not go about people. Bye.
Through the door too.
Oh, through the door. Me not go nowhere. Me.
What money you want to left me alone?
Me not want no money, I just need the love and the loyalty, baby.
No, then I love you and stress me every time. I tell you, Brittany. And I saw you run. How you get in there by the way?
You deaf? Me have a key for the lock out there.
Then you say, as a man, you never talk to the landlord and find out how you get key from your house. Me not understand that where you get the key from.
But don't me not explain myself to you. Me not gonna explain myself to
you.
You
never call police, man.
Call police? Call the police them, call the police them now gonna reach by the time I come out of this. Stay and go and harass you.
Oh. Yes, officer, we have a problem.
What the problem?
One mad woman a try to... Yes, officer. My try to rape me, officer.
I won't believe that.
I laugh, sir.
Laugh, yeah, officer. How you have to know of me after every rape this man here?
At least a woman. Officer, let me ask you a question. Where you done at station I do? Serve and protect. And if you tell us me I get raped, you're supposed to send 2 jeep to another station come over because she's crazy.
Come on, 5 phone, please.
Yes, we jump, sir. That's why my rape is rape. Because if we rape them, if we even take it, then say a rape. She have gun. Yes, she have gun.
Gun?
One AK-47.
I'm gonna see you give me
one
gun.
9mm. What?
Yes,
Yes,
after. To make you run up on me.
And if I check no, say all of the brothers, the power would have big money. Alright, officer, yeah. Stand there with. Stand there with.
Look here, first thing first, that the man not come here. Anything we say to the policeman, you go to one ears and come up to the next one, you see me?
Wait.
Me wait.
No move.
Try to say me and you are going to let the bed tonight, here?
Go on,
Alice, make us sleep tonight and done. Go
alright,
sleep
yeah.
tonight,
Well,
then.
let them be.
Alright, come on.
Come on, yeah.
Where they go? Boy!
Every night, sir. Every night you just take up yourself, go on the road, go and drink rum. Me no want to see you. Me know somebody too. No, me no business. Me don't feel that way. Because me there, I want to see you. So what if she there? Out the door no day? We can't go out the door. I be a talk, you talk. No, me want to see you one of the time. Every night I go and drink rum. Me I have a feeling say I'm my cousin there, you know. So you try mind me I do too, you know. And don't play with me. No, me just have to think that. Because you're a man. What? When you want a good night? You can't stay here around bar. What happened to phone here?
Oh, I'm Ashley.
I mean, I do one Twitter. What happened to you? Okay, face makes up so.
I caught up when I see him situation again.
Again? Not tell me say I see a boy situation.
Yes.
What happened this time now? Tell me.
Night since Nigeria, you see me go here. Over there me go. Me go with it. The woman in the house in the dark when we turn on the light.
You want to get yourself killed?
No, Ashley.
You go on till you go over there, you know, and not come back one night, you know. How much time you have to tell us, say, love the boy alone? Yes, you say I want ex with determined, say, him and him no break up. See, I leave that alone. Because obviously, the girl say she and the boy no left. Because if she and him did left, she would have yard. Think about that.
Well, that's true. Me tell him say me not come back.
How you want to get yourself, you know? Look here, me no want nobody come over here, come boom down the door here, you know. Because as you can see, it's not too strong. One kick and it fly off.
Alright. You know, so she tried to fight me since night too.
What? I wish ex this year. Me know her?
I don't think so.
No, sir. You try mine, you know. You know her from tonight. You tell that boy, say, you don't know him. Right? Delete him number out of your phone. Because you're not going to make sake that the boy them lose my cousin. Me not going to make sake him dead. Because that the girl that look like him ready to kill you. Try mind what you do. Me I try protect you. Because I don't want nothing to do you. You're my only cousin. And I call you come here to spend a little time with me. I don't want nothing to do you in a period of time. You understand?
Yes, I understand.
Jesus Christ. You know my heart a beat?
Alright, me I go stop.
God man, me I go to bed. Because I you me there wait for you know. I you me there wait for to come. And you come with this such sad news now. Sometimes you must love certain things alone. You see when the things not go good, you love it alone. Because if you continue, something bad will happen to you. But just feel it.
Don't not happen to me, Ashley.
Just think about what me I say. Just think about it.
So Ashley, you know cook.
Every day you want to get up and cook, man. You can't cook for once.
You must me not like the cooking business.
You're a big old girl, man. You must learn to cook. Me not cook today, man. Because every day I cook. See me hand soul up there. And knife I'll cook. Me can't bother with it. Me can't bother with it, man.
So you're tired?
Me tired. Me go on road and come back. Me wash it and something, man. Me tired. Me can't cook today. Me I tell you, me tired. Unless you want one ramen.
Me no want no ramen.
Well, bread and butter, did they?
Me no want that.
Me not cook, so you try to cook for yourself.
You call me boyfriend.
That ECM guy there, that's a great idea because I know me not meet him. Every time I come and tell me about boyfriend, and you know introduce me. So call him, come over, come on, see who have my cousin. Lock up.
Alright.
Call him.
Jay,
Hello?
why free?
Okay, I know.
You alright?
Well, kind of alright, but you know, say a little argument with me and Brittany and you last night. I kind of feel sorry about it still.
Not cool, man. Don't worry about that. But anywho, we can invite you over me, dad, you know.
If you do it?
Can come do some little cooking and chefing thing.
Oh.
I've come meet my cousin.
Alright, just you me come over, come cook, you see me?
Ah,
Alright, me dey on my way.
alright.
Take care.
Well, he sound like a nice guy. You have to keep him. So, the ex alright now, she cool down.
Why is she fiery bad?
Just don't have that girl up on your mind. Because your cousin more fiery. She don't know say you have a mad head cousin.
But anywho, forget.
So, how long are you calling? Which part in there?
He's so rich, man. Don't worry about that.
Well, I want to see her. Where is your name again?
Jay.
Jay, I want to see her.
The location.
Hi.
Oh,
Good afternoon.
nice to meet you.
In this? Okay. I'm her cousin,
Nice to meet you. So,
Ashley.
so when you say me a cook, you know, because that me really come.
Well, you know, so me kind of
Food
tired
is
from
life,
when
you know?
me have chicken cut up there already. So obviously you know season it up, put it on the fire, cook your rice or
Brown stew, curry, barbecue.
Anything you want.
anything.
A long time you not eat
Alright,
from
can't
somebody
believe
else.
that,
What?
Alright, just sit down and
You
enjoy
come
yourself.
prepare, man. Me like him already.
Sit down and enjoy yourself, man.
You know, so me heard enough boy you do.
Good things.
Good things and bad things in between.
What kind of bad things?
Not really bad, but alright.
What kind of bad things?
Do your thing.
No.
Do your thing.
She talk about you a lot though.
Oh. Like that. You know, some like the cousin, though. Take care of you, you know.
You see, say two of like each other. Two of them talk on the phone. Man, go on do your thing, pa.
Why? You could at least wash a little dishes and look. Sorry, me, I'll have to leave in back with. And I'm trying to cook still, you know. You ever get running belly before?
Well, sir.
Alright, you won't get him out. I head chef, you know. You used to work on my pose and then our family left it in still because they can't manage it.
Oh, really?
Mm.
How many years?
I don't think 2 years. But to the one who used to love like candle. You can't keep it in there.
Candle?
Yeah, candle. Like a Christmas I come.
I'm gonna let the two of you make it two get acquainted. Nice to meet you again, Papa. And when you're ready for me, our food don't cook again.
No. Not because this is Papa and this is not mine. You know what I'm saying?
Should we see it there?
I just like the name, you know? My name is Jay.
Jay. Alright.
Yeah.
Well,
I just like the
from
name.
the looks of it, we see how you can be a thing, man. We like everything when you see already.
I'm gonna see it eating.
We like how you cut up the veg them and everything.
Onion and veg.
The potato. You know, so I don't really know nothing about cooking.
Onion and potato?
No, I get me mix up. You know, so I don't really know the food groups them, but anyways, the onion look good and the potato you cut up, I like how you cut up. So.
Oh. I'm not going to cut them up yet, but one.
We don't eat pepper bueno, so if you have put scotch bonnet pepper in there, that's a no-no. For me, you see it over this one.
I like courage with pepper still, you know, but...
You can put it in there after for me go up, man.
Alright.
Nice to meet you again, though.
Alright, Ashley.
Yeah, man, cuz.
I saw your cousin watch everything.
I should just stay, man.
Nothing other sweet pepper you found the devil was a boy.
So, Jay, you saw what the problems then?
Well, last night I put her out still, you know. I run out before I still, you know, so... She left when I go back with the police and she didn't say, no, say, no problem and sorrow over with that.
You sure you fix everything?
It fits, man, it fits. I realize that I'm mad man will take up at first. You know, no peeler.
No, I don't think so.
So now this a big old mansion and no peeler like that. I supposed to be open now mansion and no peeler like that kitchen.
Use the knife.
Oh, Jesus, it's a good thing to go up with the granny. That's what I suffer. Anyway, you think about me that over there?
Yeah, I'm kind of there think about it, but I kind of look at the things them when I see right now what I want. And I don't really want to caught up in too much problem.
What kind of problem?
You know, your ex-woman scared and thing and me don't want no big old conflict happen. And then my cousin and thing, you know, so me just come around the sorrow.
Alright, yeah, now. She used to use Isla Tanya to Tanya Mia, right? As much as you're Christian and me kind of have a look Christian in me, come in the Bible and read the Bible. We can go out one of the Isla shop and buy it.
No. Me don't do things there.
No, the powder name.
Me no business about powder. Me no do something there.
No, when we sprinkle in her
Me don't care about sprinkle.
she have a walk
I
and a
do
walk.
business. This is the door right, Jay.
Sometimes you have to fight.
If you go with God, you go with God. If you walk by me, I walk by him. I can't do this, so you can't put one foot in and one foot out.
Alright, we can tell you something? Tell me which pastor you think holy. Tell me which pastor you think holy. You think say a pastor should have gone?
No.
If he said God will protect us, why him have gun? That if you look into. Some people go to church but they don't understand. You see, they only build a church to make money.
Not really.
Make one month pass and nobody will throw the collection plate church
But-
and keep the next day.
If a person don't contribute to the church, how the church will be?
Hey, the pastor said God will provide. Why God can't provide
God
in the
will
church?
provide. That's why, look, when people come on earth, if you don't work, when you get money, you'll say thank you, Jesus.
Alright, you don't understand the point.
You don't understand my point.
When we go to church, pastor preach to us that God will provide. Drop on the tithes. Drop the tithes. Sometimes we take all months, months upon months before we see anything. And we look at the pastor, jack pastor, so.
Well, that's true, because some of them are fast.
Okay. We're glad you
But
understand.
not all of them stay so. You can't define a person so by a book, by its cover.
You're young, so you make them prison your mind sometimes.
Nobody not prison my mind.
No. You don't get the point I'm trying to say. When I say church, bad enough. You know, say that to go to church to pray.
That's true.
You can pray hard. And you see the tithe and I say if you make sure you throw one tithe. You find somebody who need the money. you find someone who really need the money and give that person the money. And so God will bless you.
That is true.
You know, some of them pastors you can't even trust them. Look at the last one, you know what you call for? Rape. You only come by your yard and look your girl picking it in. Then see them in that church and say, wow, Sister Ben started to look so sweet. I have to go over to the ministry in the week. You laugh! You think I joke? Now when they go over there, you know, the sister never go to work in the morning, you know, what then?
You know, business about people still.
And you know how they get them way to the little people them? Talk about, oh, the Holy Ghost man come out and say for the bonfire, come out, demon, come out. And then they go for the belly and run, come on, Jesus, come on, devil, come on. And then they go up on the front.
Alright, Jay, alright.
Yeah, I'm telling them, man.
Alright.
That's
Alright, Jay, alright. Beauty.
what on there.
Beauty.
What me do it?
When I finish, you can call me back.
I don't want to see you finish in touch.
Alright.
Yeah.
Beauty.
I tell you. Alright. Think I put too much seasoning in what you were. You have any curry? Come like some time with Pat, man. As a Jamaican time, they don't want to help, they just want to wait for you to cook.
Like, come right in time.
I want you to tell them, say, look, on the rice, on the buy a Chinese, Franzi.
See for me plate, your boss. See for me one.
Oh my God.
That's why the rice, them when I'm nowadays not really good enough. You have to watch it. So when you buy rice, and you buy rice, not true?
No, Ashley, talk tell lie.
But when you buy rice, we normally look for it. Because they must sell fried rice nowadays. You sit down and wait for the food.
Alright, I come here now.
Also, shake my hand for you, man. And food are really good. The good cousin-in-law not too good for call. You have a brother-in-law from today.
Alright, so baby, yeah. Yeah, it's tomorrow I have a surprise here.
What kind of surprise?
The year come, we'll say what.
Oh, the lace wig!
Yeah.
Alright.
So, later here, bro.
Yeah, man, big up again.
Where name?
Ashley.
Ashley. Alright, big up yourself.
Later.
Alright,
Later.
it's on. Good.
You try to keep him. It's nice. It come cook for you. What more you want?
Me don't do nothing.
You
Calm
keep
down.
it on you. Keep it on you. Nice. Now.
So that if Jesus. Cool girl look nice. Jay,
Huh?
how much you pay for this?
Oh, the 19 month get discount because you know he's a man that have my discount.
Me like it.
Mm.
But anyhow, I can't come out on an occasion.
Oh, yeah. I'll carry you home, I go bathe and then we come pick you up back in the night.
Night.
Yeah, so come on, let me just carry you home and I'll take a shower quick and me come back and take a shower, you know?
Brittany, me just see a man down the road with one new woman. She all in a Brazilian hair and everything.
What will you say to me? My man, you sure say I'm my man. By woman Brazilian here and on this. Right now I'm sick, I'm not in this baby love. So if I lie I tell the truth for now. You see me?
I'm saying for true in my one girl.
Alright then. Alright, thanks for telling me. Alright. Oh! So I walk with this here, not true?
One tear, me
What do you mean by walking to me?
we done long time.
Stop telling me about
Jay, me got me yard. Me can't bother with this stress.
right now me sick and me
Me a
need
go
money
home.
to go to doctor.
Listen, we done long
Me
time.
and you not done that, we cannot done. Every time me look, every time me see her, this a girl that me see her with.
You see what cars are. Why you not just know me? Me tell you
Oh,
what.
you know what? Be a skin pan road. Oh, you want be a skin pan road? Where they go? Come here.
Well gone, Ashley.
Yeah, new look for me.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you answer to me, girl.
Let's get brand new hairstyle. Brand new lace wig. Guess how who buy it?
Oh, you see him guy there, Jay?
Yeah. And guess how much you pay for it?
You know what, tell me now. What?
19,000.
19,000 you pay for this a week here? You know how much 19,000 could I give you? before you carry the 19,000 or even half of it, cause buy some food stuff. You notice from when I'm here alone, I do everything. Me I pay rent, water bill, everything. No food in my house.
But Ashley, why you be a so?
Because you pay 19,000 for that little piece of week there. When we could have buy food and we don't have no money like that.
No, but in an occasion, you really in need of it.
In need, where you go? You come over here and boast for me, but how you pay 19,000 for week? You know, we tired of this, yeah? Because other day you come over here.
Ashley, stop behave so man.
No man, I'm me alone I do everything. I'm tired of it now. I didn't want to sell this here for a long time, you know, but the time come now.
So what is the problem?
Me can't go stay here.
Why?
Because you have to spend 19,000 per week and me I spend 20,000 per rent a month time.
that
I
is
had $2,000.
Ashley.
Look here, a long time plan this, you know. See me have to get things there. No.
Long time when you plan to keep me out?
Come on. Me tell you now, you eat
Ashley,
now. You not put in nothing. I just take care take out one.
Ashley, me not come out there.
Please, go on over Jay, go stay. And we happy to see you. Go on over there.
Ashley, you can't do
No,
that.
leave out of me place. 19,000 you spend for week.
Ashley.
No, come on. Come on. Right. Me there, even me not pay 19,000 for week.
Who that?
Asha, you know say I don't break. Open the door.
Oh, sorry. No, I'm not change your fabric. I look for something.
So why you change the vibes?
Someone think you change and get ready. Oh, dear.
Because you keep me up.
Yo, Joa.
Because I hear.
Which year?
So me tell her the ear cost 19,000. She have cost me nothing, me could have buy other things.
And keep you out just because of that?
Yeah, you're not talking, I'm not pay bills, I'm not do this, I'm not do that.
Alright. No worry, I know you don't know when done for you, I know your life better. Hear me I say. Alright, you can go get ready and we are going to go to the pizza place to get the pizza and you can have the pizza and anything you want to drink. You know what about she. So go on in my bathroom, line up yourself when you're ready. I'm going to line up myself and then we'll go. So you can
You stay here?
Yeah, we are going left right here, so. Tonight, yeah. We don't tell you so come in a trust.
Oh, you
Bring
know,
me.
the ex man come and see me.
Okay, so prepare yourself, man. Just prepare yourself. We have one to you, man. You can't put on a bag, this thing, no worry, later we'll move from here, so. We just have one call some of the dupes, them to go on and watch what you hear of me, so you come there and sound you. Come on, let's. But anyway, you can go and relax. In the meantime, we'll make some call.
Alright.
Yeah. Now open the door for me, you know.
Yeah.
Alright. Hold on there. No. What you find me at for?
Stop going, so I don't send me here, the baby can't live.
No, listen, we left long time.
But they can't leave me like that.
Right now, even if we stop, hey, you can't know that baby, fiancé and later than that.
Fiancé.
Our favorite spot that too. Oh, no, about that.
Oh, so I say you treat me now.
Come.
At least give me a hug with me.
Through the door. Me I respect my relationship.
So you not respect me? Well, I'm coming and you not respect me? What you? Babe, good night. Have a rough night today. I'm so tired and exhausted.
Alright, then I'm going to lay down then. Oh, last chance to come down the middle and I do on the computer still. The camera must see.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. I must get him out now.
That's like this. Oh, God. Baby. Baby.